I know what to
see
do.
What is this now?
Mama now. Cut your food according to your size. You don't have money, you want to marry a fine girl. You're not ashamed of yourself. Tell you bet you about.
Sorry.
Wait, oh, you know who this man is? He's a potential in-law. He's not type now, AA. Even in blood group now, O plus. Potential. Jonathan.
Mama, wear him this cap on his head.
You know what you are doing?
You shouldn't have follow them now. Follow them.
You are a woman. If you love him that much, follow him and get married to him.
Follow him. Nonsense.
Let me not meet you people here.
I am allergic to poverty. Oh, get out. Want to marry wife?
You just miss a good in-law.
It's okay, please. Sorry about this. Hey, sorry.
He's allergic to cold water.
Hey, sorry. Okay, can I take you to my place so you can change your clothes?
Thank you.
Oh yeah, let's go to my place, please.
You are missing a good in-law.
It's because of this. I'm not
Hey! Yes,
so America.
Hey!
Canada.
Hey, wait! Hey! Hey! Step on it, my angel! Step on it!
Oh. Step on your rapper.
Step on it. Your mother said you should step on it. The only beautiful girl in this village. Tell me another beautiful girl in this village, eh? Hey! I saw but where you go. The only girl that will take me.
Thank you for everything you've done for me. Thank you for bringing me up to this point. Thank you. I love you. I will take care of you. I will not disappoint you.
No. The only thing I want is for you to marry a rich man.
That's a done deal now.
A rich man that will change the face of this family.
Mama, I have no business with poverty. I mean, check me out.
Oh nego morogo. Oh dear. Oh dear.
I have no business with poverty.
Oh yeah.
Nemo.
Mama, you know the life is not the way we
If you and your mother likes poverty, you people like poor son-in-law, me and my household, we are moving to riches. We are moving to riches.
Good afternoon, ma. Good day, ladies.
Good afternoon.
Good day, ladies. Good day, ma. Who are you people? My name is Abuchi Ofodile from Zali. And this is my friend Israel.
Israel, yes. Israel there.
Yes.
We there.
Please, is this place the house of Mr. Samuel Ozoma?
It is.
I tell you now, we are in the right place. I have a quiz down now.
Please, can you give us a seat to see that we have something important that we came for?
Something important?
Sit.
Seat. Can't you say it standing? Does your mat need a seat to talk?
Mama, you know they said they came from another village. They must be tired. Let me get them a seat from the backyard.
Biko, can
Let's give them a seat now.
Zoike!
Mama, let me go and drop my certificate because they look like thieves.
Look, you go and drop it. Go. They look very hungry.
Where is the other?
Madam, I don't tell you before, say my organ all day in the morning. You know, so I tell you.
Are you mad?
Madam,
go and call him now.
you slap me.
Go and call him now. My car must be fixed today, or you rest in jail this weekend.
I don't tell you before.
You keep making me to come back here.
So that is it, Mama.
Yes, sir.
So that is why me and my friend came.
to seek her hand in marriage.
Yes.
You see, if she gets married to me, she will never regret it in life. Yes.
Oh, that's good news.
Yes.
Oh, good news for where? Getting married to who?
Hey! Hey! Give the idiot! Hey, God! My God!
What are you trying?
Ah! God, after all my prayer, after all everything I begged you, you did this to me, God!
Please, you guys should go!
Accept our condolence.
Condolence is working here.
Jesus! My God!
Mama, please.
Mind yourself, Ogechi.
Mama, please, we are sorry. This is supposed to be a thing of joy.
Yes.
But somebody died.
Why is she crying?
Mommy, relax. Onye nwere God ebute okwu aka. Okay? Take care. My love, my mirror of beauty, my sunshine.
That's good.
You know what? Your love eliminates my war.
Hi, Dangote. You're not just rich in money, you're rich in words.
Oh.
Hi! Dangote.
Oh, woman.
Dangote.
Things and things.
Hi!
Things and things. You know what, baby? You're not just physically beautiful and endowed. You are beautiful inside out.
Hey! Oh,
As an Oliver Twist, I want some more.
really?
Yes.
Anything for you, my Dangote.
Oh,
Dangote.
call me Uncle Danks.
Uncle Dan.
$1 million. Oh, I like you know. Yeah. Oh, I like you know. The breast is relaxed. Oh,
You like it, eh?
I love it.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
His name is the Rinky Bello.
hi.
He manipulate you.
Dangote.
Maka wake bawe jala tungo.
Mama.
Yes, at least. My name.
Yes,
You know that we are serious.
You can prepare.
The one I is serious.
Super caliber.
Busybody.
My son, I have heard you. I am coming. Oh?
Look, move package after that. They want to and take away.
Let me go and bring cola.
Mama is going.
No, I need to help. I'm your wife now. I need to help her and bring cola. Oh, she didn't know.
Just stay with us.
I'm coming. Ogechi is here.
Okay.
Sorry, what's that your name again?
Abuchi.
Abuchi. I will suggest you leave now.
Why?
Why?
Yes, you have to go. You have to leave here now.
Oh,
You have to go.
why?
You have to go. You see this that stand up.
This is the idea. Maybe they want to bring the marriage list. Why?
There's no marriage list. You have to go, please.
We are not joking, no. We marry this girl now.
Please, you have to go for your own good. The atmosphere is not good. Biko, biakono naba. Biko.
Why that?
You don't know what we're talking about.
I know what you're
See, what is this now?
Mama now. Cut your food according to your size. You don't have money, you want to marry a fine girl. You're not ashamed of yourself. That you bet you no about.
Sorry.
Wait, oh, you know who this man is? He's a potential in-law. He's not type now, AA. Even in blood group now, O+. Potential.
Mama, wear him this cap on his head.
You know what you are doing?
You shouldn't have gone. Follow them now. Follow them.
You are a woman. If you love him that much, follow him and get married to him.
Follow him. Nonsense.
Let me not meet you here again.
I am allergic to poverty. Oh, get out. Want to marry wife?
You just miss a good in-law.
It's okay, please. Sorry about this.
See,
Hey, sorry.
he's allergic to cold water.
Hey, sorry. Okay, can I take you to my place so you can change your clothes?
Thank you.
Oh yeah, let's go to my place, please.
You are missing a good in-law. Go.
It's because of I'm not
Siana, they try call line, not they picking call. Eh?
I'm trying to call him too, he's not picking. See, if I arrest you now, they will say I'm a bad person.
Madam, why you go arrest me? Not my job I they do. Eh?
What did you say?
Madam, my job I they do. Because the last time when you slap me, I look you, I leave you, I just make I let you go. Now you get me, they talk all this kind of thing. Eh? Foolish ones, girl.
What did you call me?
I don't tell you my own. Now wait till I tell you, now I tell you so. You not get you want do me.
I don't blame you. It's Abuchi that I blame.
Mama, she can go with them for all I don't care. I don't care. She can go with them.
Hey, Ujunwam. Okay, she's not your friend. He's not your friend at all. I don't know why you still keep her very close. Both of you are like two sides of the coin. See how she shamelessly threw herself on them. Hey, I think Ogechi is jealous of you. Let her not poison you.
Mama, no, she's not jealous of me. She's just classless. She doesn't have class. Yes, she settles for crumbs.
That's true.
Cheap commodities. She doesn't just have class.
Like mother, like daughter.
You know what? Like you. Exactly, Mama. Like, see the way she just shamelessly followed them.
Don't have cash for any medication now. They just maybe we'll get home, we'll do that.
Okay, don't worry about the money, it's on me. I'll pay for it.
It's okay, don't worry. Once you get change of clothing now, you stop. Besides that, is there any beer parlor around where we can branch and get some drinks? To stop.
Drinks, you need medication. Drinks cannot stop this thing.
Abuchi, your phone has been ringing. Why not check who is calling?
Don't worry, let's
Okay, take us to your house.
Okay, yeah,
That man is very, very lucky that I did not meet him here. On our year, I can't without a car. So a short man came here to ask for Ujunwa's hand in marriage without a car. Only with an without a car. Who does that? Say he was. Let him count himself lucky that I did not come back and meet him. I would have poured out my frustration on him and tell him that I am so frustrated in life. Then what from the man will he say? He's going to come and marry my sister without a car.
It's Legady's Benz.
Can you imagine?
Now you needed to have been there. To see the wretched man.
Hey! You people should have called me. Let me come back with front number.
You need to even see the drink he came with. I don't even know
what one local drink.
Local drink inside one local polythene bag.
So, hey!
And that came.
Hey!
A man that you will see and do to fear.
Hey, Mama, for my beautiful sister. Get him snap. Mama, can you imagine? Who does that? Where does he know that? Who told him that you can come and marry Achalugo without a motor? Without car? The only beautiful sister I have, the only hope of the family, the only woman that will make me to become somebody in life. All my hope is in Ujunwa, and one tattered man out that. He came here to marry Ujunwa. The only hope of the family, the only good thing my late father has ever produced. Mama, Papa produced Ujunwa.
Biko. Ujunwa was designed, produced, and packaged from heaven to this family. To elevate us from poverty. Go to go to one. What to get to okay? Now we go to 40 feet container. What do you eat? Yeah. Oh dear.
My only hope of money my own life. came here to marry her without a car. He's going to pay. Don't you know that he's going to, when he pay Uju one's bride price, he will pay for my own wife's bride price.
I'm so sorry. Eh? This doesn't look good at all. Nna, please. Eh? You people should just calm down. Eh? Hi.
It's okay, we are fine. I'll be fine. Just
This is my late father's shirt. Try it on and see if it will suit you. You can go inside.
you don't have to do this, eh? I will be fine. By the time I taste some drinks now, this thing should be over.
Hi. My sons, please. I want you to forgive Emilia and her daughter for what they did to you. Eh? They are not always like this. So.
Yes,
they are not always like
Mama,
this.
we are not going to forgive them. Eh? We might be poor today, but they are not God. That girl might be beautiful, but she's not a God. Look at what she did to us. They are talking about beauty. She's not even as beautiful as your daughter here.
Let me go and boil hot water so people can take your bath.
No. You don't have to. We are fine. We are fine. Thank you for everything.
Okay. In that case, let me go and check what I have on fire. At least you need to eat something now before leaving this place.
Food. No, you don't have to. Please, don't worry yourself. We are fine. We are fine.
You don't know my mother. She does not take no for an answer. You see the food. People have to eat it though. They are not like that. They are good people.
They were just angry.
Maybe somebody offended them.
We are okay. Mama, don't need to bother yourself. Take this.
Look, let me make up for what Emilia did to you. Huh? See, I don't want you to leave this village with a wrong impression about us. Our people, we are very nice, very okay. Like I told you, maybe somebody offended them.
Yes. People came at the wrong time, that's why.
Now, let me go and get the food, the pico. Let me get something. Just relax, oh.
Don't worry.
Mama, don't need to stress yourself.
You boys are incompetent. So once I'm not on ground, we can't handle Jack. Okay? You're very stupid. Shut up, my friend. Get out of my phone. Let me make the call. My boys at the office, they are so annoying. Once I'm not on ground, they can't handle Jack. Go and sit down. I want to make business call on us, baby. Makani Fugego. Stay there, it's a business call.
Women. What do they really want?
My brother, what do women want? You see that question? That question has been left unanswered since time immemorial. Even the women themselves don't know what they want. You know, sometimes, I guess, our creator, get confused about what do these species called women want. Women, they are people we can't live with, and yet we can't still live without them.
See, had it been we didn't meet Ogechi and the mother, I would just conclude that all the good women has been taken.
My brother, but I believe that with what we saw now, you are going for Ogechi instead of the other girl.
Well, anyway, I'm still thinking about it. Just that.
You are still thinking? Thinking about what? Don't tell me you are kidding me. You see that girl, Ogechi? That girl's character. That girl, she's the last of her kind. What are you telling me?
I agree with you. I'll not that trade her well.
See, with what we saw between both families yesterday, you will know that an apple fruit cannot fall from a coconut tree. So if I were you, I won't waste another day. I will just go for that girl.
Yeah, but what if...
What? What if what? Shoot your shot. Man, you have all it takes. Let's go. Go and marry this girl. I'm telling you, if I have such a girl in my life, I will not waste another day.
Mama, I say if we should come. Mama, I've been thinking that my head is cutting into two. My spinal cord is having meningitis.
Spinal cord? What?
Yes. Mama, how can 3 of us now be in this house? We will eat, drink, and sleep without discussing about our investment and how to move about it.
Investment? What?
Mama, why is he pointing at me? I hope I'm not the one he's paying to as investment. It's my name investment.
Ujunwa, you are our investment and you know it. Ujunwa, our hope lies in you. This family is in your hands. Eh? If we are going to eat 2 meat tomorrow, it's in your hands, Ujunwa. If I'm going to become somebody in future, it's in your hands. Ujunwa, you are delaying us. You are wasting my destiny. You are tying my destiny down. Go out there and get a man that has money that will change my life. Eh? How long will I go to suffer? Or you want me to die? Go and get a man that will change my life. I will turn to snake in this house. Go and get a man that will change our life.
Oh, yeah. I see.
What do you want my daughter to do, Baka? Drag a man to this house? Oh. I mean, look at her. My daughter has all it takes for her to get her dream man.
Mama, if she has anything it takes to get a man of her dreams, if she's sleeping, let her wake up. Let her stop dreaming. Go out there and get the man. She has those things. Let her use those things to go and get the man. Let me go and hustle. Hustle for a man and bring the man. What is all this? Let her go. Mama, this is her flower period though. This is her flower period. Ujunwa is in her prime now. You know how it happens. You know that, you know how it happens in the morning. If you bring it to the market, if you did not sell it on time, by the evening it will be bending neck. Ujunwa is her prime. Let Ujunwa go and get a man now that they can still buy her expensive so that I can work it on her. Mama, take my honor.
Obaka, relax your nerves, calm down. Listen, I'm a beautiful girl. I am highly intelligent, a full option babe.
Hey!
I am a spec.
Bam!
Check here now, 12 suitors in 4 months. Which girl in this village has broken the record?
Nobody.
Tell me. Calm down, relax. I know what I'm doing. Okay? Very soon our dream husband will come. Our dream man will come. I know what I'm doing.
Yes. Ujunwa, I know they will respect. Ujunwa, Ekwaram. Eh? Our father and mother did not give birth to you for you to be breaking record. I'm not going to be break a record. I want to keep mad. They give birth to you so that you become somebody, not to be breaking record. Ujunwa, go out there. They say that if Muhammad refused to go to mountain will go to Muhammad and Manapati. Go to men and collect something from them. Come and change my life. You are holding my destiny. You are tying me down.
You want me to be cheap? I'm not a cheap
Uju,
girl.
we don't have to be cheap.
I'm
Go
not a
out.
cheap girl.
But dress well. You have go out there and get men and drag men. Uju, mama won't go. Mama will go to this house. I will die for you people.
But you're going to bring the rich man for me now.
I don't know any rich man.
No, go outside and
I don't know any rich man.
Okay, where do you want her to get the rich man?
Mama, there are rich men outside.
So, how are you now? I hope you're getting better. Okay. I'll tell her. She's here, sir. Yes, she wants to make something. I'll tell her. Okay. Alright, thank you for asking. And thanks for calling. Okay.
Mama, okay. Who was that?
Abuchi. He asked of you and he said he's coming over the weekend to see you.
Chai. Honestly, I pity that boy. Yeah? He doesn't even have to bother coming. I really pity him.
Mama, is it a crime to be poor? Because the way people are treating poor people, they are treating them like they're outcasts. They are not supposed to be existing. Look at the way Uju and the mother is treating Abuchi. Does it make sense? Mama, in school, I treat everybody equal. I show love and compassion to anybody experiencing down. Mama, look at us now. I'm not coming from a rich background. So why will I hang my coat where my hand is not rich?
Honestly, I am happy you feel this way. You see, compassion is one thing that humanity lacks these days. But for Ujunwa, I pity her. I pity how she is letting Emilia mislead her. I just feel for that girl.
Mommy, I do not pity her. If they tell you to put her on the side fire, you go and put her on the side fire. Mama, do you know how many times I talk to you in a day? She does not want to listen. She's only dancing to the tune that mother is beating for her. So me, I don't pity her. Because me, I'm tired of talking.
Do you know Emilia very well? Emilia is a strong-willed woman. You see this your advice? It's too late for Ujunwa. Emilia is greedy. Emilia wants the whole world to herself. So you see, that your advice might not work. My own is, I pray that thing she's looking for, that I wish will come to pass. Finish.
Amen for them.
Just imagine that poor boy, the way they just pished him. I pray.
Yeah, Mama, what are we making fun?
So you've not made anything?
Yeah, what's your problem? Once I'm not on ground, when I need Zuzu. Do the needful. You're always full of excuses. Get something done on our query. Don't get me angry, my friend. Do what you're supposed to do.
My love, is everything okay?
Yeah, fine. What's going on there? You're very, very stupid. Was that what I asked you to do? Do as I instructed, they have Wala. Sorry for your miserable self. Sorry, Nkegi. Ewu. Tolo. What is baby's name now? Will you be babying me?
I'm just concerned about your baby. I don't want anything to happen to you. No, I'm
this is a polite insult. Shut up. You make more sense when you're not talking. I said shit. You're now. Hello?
Baby, I'm not like other girls. I'm not here because of the money. Truth, I'm not here because
of... Let me call you back. You're disturbing me. Get out of this place. Yeah? Pick your things and leave. Pack your things and leave. You're distracting me. Also, I have Lala. Pack your things and get out. Your time is up. You're distracting my business.
It's not going to that.
I said pack and leave now.
I'm just concerned about you.
When last they beat you? Also, I had I'm done with this rubbish. There's time for everything. I will stop you. Pack your things and leave. You're distracting me. Allah, you know it's going there. Allah, you know it. Let that condemn me.
Hey, it's like love has started already.
Good morning, sir. I'm fine, sir. And you? Yes, I was sweeping the compound. Sorry, did you say workshop? Forgive me, I did not even ask what you do for a living. Mechanic? Mechanic is a good work now. Yes, now you're doing well for yourself. Okay. When you get to your workshop, you call me now. I'm sweeping. Let me finish. Wait. I hope you ate before going out. Okay. Have a nice day. Alright. Bye-bye, sir.
Okay, did I hear you say mechanic?
Yes, he said he's a mechanic.
Ha! There's nothing wrong about being a mechanic. Yes, now. What matters in life is that God blesses you with a man that will love you. A man that wants to be a husband to you. Not just all these men looking for a wife to be like a furniture in their house. No. A God-fearing man. A hard-working man. And a kind-hearted man. If you have that one, it's over. Look. Don't say because he's a mechanic and you are a graduate that you will not accept him.
Mama, no, nah. You know your daughter now. Graduate, is it not me that I've been struggling to get work? Have I got someone?
Oh.
But let's wait till he says it yet.
He will say it.
And me, I will say yes.
He will say it in Jesus' name.
Amen.
God will do it for us. You see what Ujunwa rejected? You will not reject. I pray that one day she will get whatever it is that she's looking for.
Amen. I pray when she gets it, she will help me because I'm her sister too.
No. God will bless you. You don't have to wait for God will bless you. Our only prayer now is that one day, God will make Abuchi very rich when he marries you.
Amen. I'm a prayer warrior. Mama, jump for me. Let me finish.
I should keep it. All right. Be fast. So. All right.
Ujunwa, tedebeze pancake. No pancake, Ujunwa, no pancake. No pancake. What is wrong? It's obvious that you don't have a plan for this family. It's obvious you don't have plans. You don't have plan of action to better this family, to help our lives. Ujunwa, Ujunwa, go out there. You cannot sit in this house. You do pancake, you sleep and eat. Ujunwa, they cannot get rich man at home. Go out there and get a man that will change my life. Ujunwa, enough of pancake. Ujunwa, enough of pancake. Have a line of action. Ujunwa, I'm your only brother.
Ubaka, I don't owe you anything.
I'm going down.
I don't owe you anything, Ubaka. Leave me alone. I don't owe you anything. Ha.
You don't owe me anything?
Yes, I don't.
A very big lie. I see your child. Ujunwa, wow. You owe me a lot. Ujunwa, you owe me a lot. You owe me so much. You owe me even your life. You owe me. I dropped out of school because of you. I dropped out of school. I stopped going to school. And even I was going to school, by now I would have become a minister.
You dropped out of school?
I dropped out so that you go to school. And you're telling me you don't owe me anything.
You dropped
I climbed pine trees to make you graduate.
Hey, Ubaka, why are you so full of lies? You dropped out of school because you are an itibori boy. You don't know anything. The teacher advised Mama to stop paying your school fees because she was wasting her money, her hard-earned money.
It is a lie. Is that school the only school in this world? I could have changed school now and I become a better man. After all, it's a lie. Is it not now that I went night school? Am I not doing well? Am I not doing well?
Doing well, huh? Which night? What are you saying?
Let me tell you. See your mama, nobody will have peace in this house. You people will not have peace in this house until you do the needful. Until you go there and bring a good man. Would you leave the village? Ada na village and what Diego.
Baka, please.
Ada na village and what Diego go. You people. See, let me tell you. If Mama happened to be a young girl, I would have married her out. I would have remarried her to another man so that I can collect money. What is all this? You people, I'm tired of you people. Are you not tired of me?
Baka, please now. It's too early for this now, please.
That is why I will continue to give you a Mama bomba to bomba. I will not let you people rest until you do the needful. Ujunwa, you must marry. You must get a rich man. Ujunwa marry. Ujunwa leave pancake. Ujunwa marry. Ujunwa leave pancake. Ujunwa marry. Bring a rich man. Bring a rich man. We not go grill. We not go grill. Bring a rich man. We not go grill. We not go grill.
But now who laugh last year? Laugh better.
The most beautiful woman in town. I will not stop. Yes, the most finest babe in this family, in this town, in this community, in fact, in this state.
Stop it.
I will not stop it. I am following you to the market to make sure that no animals will come near. No poor man will come close to you.
I don't need to follow me. No poor man will come close to me. You know I'm allergic to poverty.
I said no. Behold the beauty who takes away the poverty of her family. Happy is me who is her brother. Let's go.
But I'm just tired of you.
Move it. Yes. No man, no poor man should near you.
What is going on here?
I am protecting my property, my investment. I want to market my investment. I don't want son to tarnish her skin. You got to go? So that happy baby, you know, she's my investment.
I don't understand. Is that why you're covering her with umbrella?
Is it not enough reason?
Are you for sale? Because I don't understand now. Why are you saying you're covering her with umbrella investment?
But she's my investment. I'm sorry that you are not this beautiful. And you don't have a brother that will do this thing for you. So, when you life will turn
What's the meaning of that? Okay, Chibiko Balo, forgive him. You know, he talks anyhow sometimes. Eh? Please forgive him. Oh, I'm just going to the market to buy something.
And discovery with umbrella. It's funny now. A matured man like this that is supposed to be doing something, maybe by this time you should be at your workplace. You're following your sister with umbrella.
Ogechi.
Yeah, quite joke.
Ogechi, I don't understand. Is it bad? Like if my brother decides to protect me, is it bad?
From a place of hatred, though.
Am I sensing jealousy?
Jealous?
Yes.
I cannot be jealous of you. I've never been jealous of you all the years. It's now that I'll be jealous of you. Why? What for?
I don't know, because I don't understand the way you're sounding. Do you have to insult him?
No problem. I came to tell you that I'm going to the place that I'm going to submit that document for the loan for my POS. I told you now.
Oh, that.
Yes.
It's okay. I wish you good luck. POS business is not for a chick like me, so all the best.
Well, Mubaka, also get some boots to cover her leg because sun is touching her leg.
It will not touch her. You can go. You can go, Ogechi. Okay. Okay.
I don't even understand this attitude this girl is giving.
Don't mind her. I'm covering you. I'm covering you. Let her enjoy suffering. Everyone I like her.
If I not join, his name is Dangote. International man, importer and exporter. Money no be wahala at all for him side. Money no be trouble at all for him side.
I'm fine. Even only that. Forget it. When I was about to media.
No. Few toys I'm using to disguise. Mama, what channel?
Oh! Zapuya!
I'll get it. Your son is made. Made up of our own billionaire. I brought dangling one. The solid billionaire for life.
Chuku, I knew it. That right from there, I knew you are a great child. A very great child. Chuku, I go see him. Chuku, Dalu, Chuku. Hey, hey, Dalu God. Hey,
man, enough good is good.
Yes.
You want to chill?
No,
mommy, come now. Mommy, come. You can't be stressing yourself.
What the must
get a chair for me. Don't stress myself. Else you
If I not join, his name is Dangote. International man, importer and exporter. Money no be wahala at all for him side. Money no be trouble at all for him side. Fafusia when they see they reason as they see Dangote. When they see they reason their container don't like see.
Now my brother Waka is a very good for nothing human being.
Uju, you know we've been friends since childhood, right? And I have never advised you wrongly before.
So what are you saying? I don't understand.
What I'm trying to say is that the way you treated Abuchi, the way you treated him the other day was so terrible. You should just go and apologize to him.
As who? Apologize to who now? Who is Abuchi?
He's a human being.
No, tell me, who is he? Which human being? That good for nothing, dejected, God-forsaken human being?
That's God's creation that you're cursing like that.
See, he's so lucky. He was so lucky that Ubaka did not meet him at home. Else, you would have found him in the morgue. He's so lucky, very, very lucky.
You know, things are not the way we say it. Who is poor today can be rich tomorrow. You know, right? This world revolves.
Talk of the devil.
Ujuma, I'll get you.
How are you doing now?
Good.
Yeah, girl, sister. What is that? As his advocate or what? See, I don't like this thing you're doing. Ogechi, I do not like this thing you're doing. If you want to continue being my friend, stay away from poverty. Stay miles away from poverty. What is that one? You know, you're not his advocate now.
Somebody greeted you. You're supposed to greet back.
Greet
now.
what? Why are you greeting him when you know I don't like him? Why? Are you for me or against me?
But I cannot be enemies with him because you are not his friend. Sorry, don't mind my sister. The brother provoked. That's
no problem.
why.
I'm heading towards your side.
Okay.
Now this is good. It's been long.
I kept it for you. Every day you come, I'll give it to you. Menye oka bukwa bibu. Icho ina nakete je mbute. Tinye gi na moto nwa. Achaba. Oka fokwa mu na nka. Je wetekwu.
No, I'm fine.
Hey, my son, I want to ask you because I am surprised. How did you get all this wealth all of a sudden?
Mama, people are quick to ask, how did you make your money? But when I was poor, no one cared to ask, why am I poor? Or why was I poor? That's the problem. So as my mother, I will respect you, Mama. Don't worry. There are things I will tell you that you need to know as my mother. But not now, okay? Let me enjoy my mango first.
And please, what bothers me most is, when are you getting married? Get married. Even if you use me, your mother, to do many ritual, no problem. I will willingly give up myself for you to get more and more and more money. Because in this village, one has to be there. We have to have this money.
Mama,
it has insulted us.
I can never use anybody, even a total stranger, for money ritual. Talk more of my mother. That one is out of it. As for getting married, from here, I'm going to see the woman I want to marry. So you will meet her very soon.
Where do you want to marry from? Where is she from?
Even the embassy know they ask questions like this. Calm down, Mama. Let me lick this mango. I will tell you.
His name is a rinky bello.
Bring out those drugs.
The money plenty.
Mama, can you imagine? Can you imagine Ogeti and Abuchi? Hey, God.
Two hopeless people.
There is nothing Ujuma will not see.
Have they seen each other?
Mama, like, I don't even know what is giving Ogeti the mind, the nerve to think that she can convince me to marry Abuchi.
Kini?
I don't understand. As my personal advisor or what? Like, what do they take me for?
Hey, Ujuma, I've told you to stop playing local league with Ogechi. Both of you are not on the same level. Manja! At all.
Hey, Mama, like I have suffered. I have suffered though.
Now he's thinking he can advise you to take Abuchi, that poverty-stricken man.
You can imagine.
Hungry man.
Mama, just imagine, like, go to now, me, a home me, and Abuchi, like he's not even gelling at all.
I'll have to go and warn Jacinta.
Mama, Chere, Mama, no. Mama, wait. See, I have already given Ogechi federal warning. She cannot just relax. I don't want you to go. Okay. I know you.
Okay, I'm coming. Let me get some.
Mama, I know you.
Mama, just come back. Jacinta. Okay. Right.
You like the food, right? It's not me that made it, though. It's my mom. But don't worry, next time when you come, I'll make bitter leaf soup for you. I can cook more than my mother. Okay. If you eat my food there, if my mother serve you again, you tell her you don't want to eat. I can't wait. Abuchi, I want to tell you something. My cousin sister is a nice person. Uju is a nice person. If I talk to her, she will agree for you. Just give me go ahead. I should talk to her. If I talk to her, she will say yes.
Your cousin sister doesn't want me. So, me? I don't want her again.
She's influenced by her mother. You know her mother like one things. It's just that she's listening to what her mother is telling her. But if I talk to her, she will agree. Just allow me to talk to her.
She's badly influenced by her man.
Abuchi, you see, Ogechi is right. Emilia has influenced Ujunwa to a point that if care is not taken, she will destroy that girl's life.
Jessica! Yeah, Jessica. Want your daughter. Want her to stay away from my family. Want her to stay away from anything that has to do with me, my daughter, and my family. Else!
Else what?
Else!
Else what, Emilia?
Else, Jessica!
Ogini, is anything wrong with you? Eh? Are you mad? How dare you walk into my compound to threaten my daughter? If I'm making this, are you alright?
Mwa!
Eh?
Jessica!
Mama.
Jessica! Mwa!
I'm here. Talk to me.
You are here. Let me warn you, Ogechi. I will warn you. You do not have the right to suggest, point out, describe, or even talk about anything that has to do with my daughter and her choices.
Yes, ma'am.
Do not talk about it. Stay away from her. I will not warn you again because there will be consequences. I won't warn you again.
Emilia, you are lucky. Leave me alone. You are lucky. Thank your stars that I have a visitor. And I respect my guest. If not, I would have thrown you out of my compound.
Eh? Compound? Is this a compound? This dungeon with leaking roof? Is this a visitor? See, let me tell you. I have come here to warn your daughter. Let her stay away from my daughter.
Emilia, everything about life is not about material things. Mba, this is my compound. Yes, I have an old house. I have a leaking roof like you said. But there's something we have that you do not have and you can never understand. And that is love. We have plenty of love. We have plenty of love to give out. That is something you don't have. What do you have? Bitterness and greed.
Oh, Jessica.
Never leave my house.
You have love. You have love. Even love. You have love and hunger is killing you and your daughter. You have love. It's love. It's love. You.
Mama.
I will not warn you again.
Yes,
yeah? I will not warn you again. Stay away from my daughter.
I will stay away from her.
Look at the hungry, poor-looking man that's an only daughter brought for her poor mother. Poor mother, poor daughter, poor son-in-law.
Yes,
Ubiam!
Yes, ma'am.
Ubiam. You have covered us with poverty. Poor! I will not warn you again.
You will never warn her again. And if you try it, I'm here to defend my daughter.
My daughter, I will not warn you again.
Get out
I
of
will
my
not warn
compound.
you again.
Yes, ma'am.
If not, there will be consequences.
There will not be anything.
Papa, go.
Mad dog.
Mama, it's okay now. You know she's a mad woman. You shouldn't have done that with her now. Sit down first. I don't like this thing you did though.
I'm not fear.
So just allow her to rake. After raking, she will go.
Look, Emilia is a mad dog. I had to give it back to her. Eh? I hope we did not ruin your appetite.
Yeah. Thousands of familiar will never make me lose this appetite. That is how delicious this meal is.
Aye.
Don't worry. I'm enjoying the meal.
That's a very good joke. At least I'm laughing. Huh?
You have to realize that.
Sorry.
This one you are like back market. How far? Any luck? Yes.
I don't understand. Any look? How? What are you talking about?
Ujuma, why are you a stranger in Jerusalem? Which one is what am I talking about? Ujuma, is there any husband in view? Like, is there any husband that is coming? Like, we are expecting? Because I don't understand. Wait, does it mean that what we are passing through is not affecting you? What are you looking at? Eh? Ujuma, does it mean that the way we are living, you are happy about it? Living from hand to mouth, you are happy about it, you are not doing anything. You are not trying to make sure that You bring a potential husband in this house that will take care of me, that will settle me, that will release my destiny. Is that what you're trying to say?
Baka, you should be ashamed of yourself. You should be ashamed of yourself. See, stop harassing me. Oh. Stop harassing me in this house, else I will report you to the police. Oh. I will carry police and arrest you. And you are arresting me in my own father's house. What is your problem? Leave me alone now. Eh, Tiboribo, leave me alone.
I know that I'm a Tiboribo. I know. But you that went at Aukwa, what is the essence of your beauty? Ujunwa, what is the sense of your beauty when you cannot, the only daughter we have in this family that's supposed to wipe away our shame? That's supposed to wipe away our... Ujunwa, I know how many palm trees I climbed to make sure that I bought good cream for you. So that you can rub good cream and be beautiful like this. If not, I would have given you Nchankota now. Nchankota so that I will know that your beauty is useless. Hey. How can you be in this family and I'll be suffering? Your only elder brother will be suffering after suffering for you. Ujunwa, go and get a man.
Elder brother, my food.
Go and get a man.
Go and hustle. Go and... Did they swear for you that you cannot make money? Did anybody swear for you that Obama cannot make money in this life? Go and meet your destiny helper. Go and find the way and stop disturbing me. What is your problem? Go and make money. Are you not a man?
Ujunwa, I know what I'm saying.
Be a man and go and make money.
I know what I'm saying.
What are you saying?
Police.
I will arrest you. I will arrest you.
You arrest me?
Yes, because if not, I would have even called kidnappers for you, but there is no gain. If I call kidnappers for you, there will not be any money for me. So now police and guard, you will go and
get a potential husband. Even if I have some man, Yoruba, even from Kafantan, I will take it. As long as that man has money. Even if he's blind. Even if he's a crippled man, as long as he has money to give me and settle me and release my destiny. Go and bring the prosperity of this family. You are the one holding it.
Who is holding who?
You are the one holding prosperity.
You should be ashamed of yourself. Don't go and look for your destiny helper. A whole man. You cannot take care of your mother and your sister. Be here looking for husband. Husband is coming. Chere, sit and wait.
Ujunwa.
Don't go and hustle.
Ujunwa, go and get a good husband though.
Go and make money.
Go and get a good husband.
Go and make money.
Go and get a husband.
Go and make money, Ubaka. Go and make money.
Be
a man.
I will do my own way.
Which your own way?
I will do it my way.
You will stay for sale.
I will get the husband by my own way. I couldn't fear now. Ujunwa. What is the sense of your beauty now? How can you be beautiful like this now and be waiting in this house when your only brother is suffering? Bring the breast and Nyash, I will carry you. Give me a wig. I will go out there and hustle and get a good husband.
Go and hustle and make money. Hustle and make money, Ubaka. They did not swear for you. A whole man of the house, a flip.
Ujunwa, you are tying my destiny down. You are tying my destiny down. Go and get a husband that will settle me. You people are holding my destiny. People will say that I will not be, and nobody is doing anything about it. Nigerians are quiet. My only other sister, my only younger sister that is beautiful is wasting. And Nigerians are quiet. My friend, are you mad? I'm calling you and you're not picking your call. Do you want to lose your job? I don't care what you were doing. I bought that phone. Once I call you, pick. If I call you 3 times and you don't pick, that means you're fired. Anyhow, we are. Get me more SPUs to the village because I have 1 week more to spend here. Bushman, SPU, Special Protective Unit. Those my poor where they house. Bring 2 more. Then bring like 2 other cars. But on a second thought, I want to stay on the low. You know all these cars and escorts draw attention. Yeah, let me be on the low. I'm just considering before evening, before the day runs out, I will decide. If my mind is made, then you will come with 2 more officers and 2 more cars. But if I still decide to maintain low key, you will not bother. So give me till evening to decide. Good.
I am happy we are not getting married to a city girl.
Mama, city girl is better than village girl because these village girls these days they do more. The devil you know is better than the angel you don't know. So let me get married to a city girl.
How well do you know this girl? Tell me.
I knew her when she was still in the university. Now she's a graduate. So.
Hey, she's a graduate. She went to school. You are a graduate too, so it's good. I'm happy you're marrying a graduate like yourself.
Mama, graduate or no graduate, it doesn't matter, okay? So that she's a graduate doesn't matter. Yes.
So, Are you not going to tell your uncle?
No, from here I'm going to see my uncle.
Okay, it's good. It's good.
Have you seen the 1 million naira I sent?
If I'm not his name is Dangote.
The owner of this guy is looking for a wife. Eh? Who knows whether he's looking for a wife? How can people park car and leave? If I see the man who owned this car now, I will ask him if he is looking for a wife. Eh? My sister cannot be wasted. Lagos plate number for that man.
But Kebinije, where are you going to?
Mama.
Hey. Baka, why don't you go back to where you are learning handwork instead of running the village like a lunatic? Eh? Baka, what kind of a boy are you, for God's sake?
Mama, point of correction, Mama, I'm not a boy. Obaka is no longer a boy. Obaka is not a man. What is this? It's obvious that you and Uju has plans to frustrate me in this life, but your plans will not work. Your plans will not work, because I have strategy. Strategy. Go on your television now and get ready to hear my scores. Because what I'm going to do now, if any ear that hears it, any ear that hears what I'm going to do now, what is all this?
You will not do anything stupid. You will not try it. What are you going to do?
Mama, see, let me tell you. You see this period now. I am ready, able and capable to carry the bull by the horn. I will hold the bull by the horn, scatter the horn, scatter the head if the bull does not take time. Because what is all this? Would you want to get married and help my life, arrange my life for me? Would you want the fish to get married? What is the essence of her being beautiful? Tell her, let her carry the breast and Nyash and give me. Let me go. You see me now, carry 10 men and come. See motor that is parking here. Ujuma is nowhere to be found. So that this man will see her.
You do what the honey. Obaka! Hey! Shimo! Hey! Killed you what the what is this? Eh? No good son-in-law. Eh? God, when will you bless me? Eh? This is how I'm always sad. Eh? God,
Mama Ogechi, I am not here because of you, for you to convince her to marry me. I'm also not here to come and thank you because of what happened the other day. But I'm here because I find in Ogechi the type of girl I want to spend the rest of my life with. Yes.
What? Ogechi, I am shocked.
Ogechi, please. If you accept me to be your husband, Ogechi, I will be the happiest person on earth. Please, I love this family. And I would love to be part of this family if you'll accept me.
Okay. Oh my God.
This is good, eh? Carry this thing. You see this poster? Look for strategic places in this village. Eh? All the places you know that people will see it very clearly. Go and paste it there. Eh? Yes. Paste it in every corner, nooks and crannies of this village. Make sure that people will see it well. Oh. Everybody configure a figure. Make it on a wall. Like this. People should not spray this place like down there. No, don't keep here so that this thing will not cover it. Go down. Just make sure that you spray it well. I want my sister to get good husband. But I know that if she get good husband, oh, you favor cool, no. Yes. At least I will give you people something. Like all this my clothes that I'm wearing. I will now dash it out to you people. Okay. So by the time you are done, I will now give you people money. Okay. Jeben. Because Do it well, oh. Do it well. Let me know why my sister will not get married. Why? How can she not get married? I know how many palm trees that I climbed to make sure that she went to university. Now she's here doing anyhow. If she don't work hard to get married, I will work hard for her to get husband for her. See that car. See that man, see that car. Show the man with that big car. When you have a potential husband, don't lose that customer. Throw it inside the car for him if you don't want to take it. Even if he's there with his wife, put the flyers there. Share it as flyers because I want my sister to get married today or tomorrow. What am I doing? How can my life be like this? My sister will not get married. Why would she be beautiful in bed? Huh?
Hey, it looks expensive. Look at that in the top. Like shine like a diamond.
My daughter, I'm so happy for you. Like play. I mean, look at where we are now. Hey!
Me, I'm happy for myself. But tomorrow, I don't want somebody that will come and say, you took my man. You took my man. I don't have strength for Ujunwa.
Wait. Which man? Which Ujunwa? Which man? The one she rejected. Eh? Look, I know Ujunwa and her mother. They will not say it though. Instead, once they hear of this, they will start laughing at you. But I don't care. I don't. You see, mechanic in this our economy, there is nothing bad in it. All we have to do is to pray for Abuchi. Give him time. From what I'm saying, that guy is a very good man. Listen, my daughter. Don't let anybody deceive you. Leave them, let them laugh. Don't let anybody talk you out of this. Because I know Ujunwa and her mother. They will laugh at you, but we don't care.
Mama, don't you know your daughter again? Do I look like somebody can deceive? It's me that will deceive them. They cannot deceive me. My own is, I can't wait for my husband to come and pay my dowry. I'll follow him. I'll go to the city. I'll open POS branches, like 3-4 branches. That thing is oil money, POS business. New oil money. Me and my husband will make it. We'll have branches of mechanic workshop. Don't worry, Mama. I will spoil you.
Say, my husband. The thing is even making my heart like... Honestly, I'm happy for you. Hey, at least the one that is making me happier is when they now start calling women that their children are married. Me too. I will gladly come out.
New married woman.
In fact, I am just praying that God will bless you and Abuchi. One day, you see this Abuchi you're saying? One day, forget the mechanic work, God can remember him and bless you both immensely.
Amen. We'll make money.
Amen.
We'll make plenty money. We'll have branches of mechanics.
Amen.
Mama, don't worry. I will spoil you. If I'm going in this village now, I'll be doing my hand like this.
Hey, why you?
If you greet me and say,
Abuchi, this thing you said is a very good news. So how soon is marriage coming up?
Very soon, very soon. You know, delay they say is dangerous. So very soon.
See, such girl is not the kind of girl you will see and you just take much time. You don't need to waste time.
No, at all. You see, do you know that Ogechi says graduate of microbiology?
Are you serious?
Yes, now. With all that humility.
Hey.
In fact, I've never seen that kind of girl before.
You see, when I look at that girl behavior, and when I look at her mother, that girl have gotten some good qualities from her mother too.
Obviously. And that's the kind of family that will give man peace of mind.
Look, this thing you are saying is true. You know that many men have died of depression because of the kind of family they get married from or they get married to.
Not the one the mother-in-law will be weapon fashion against your marriage. People are dying every day.
Every day.
Yes,
that's why when I look at girls like Ogechi, I'll just be wondering. Say, God, see me. How am I going to get a girl that is as good as Ogechi? Get a wife material.
Ogechi finish with me. Ogechi will find one for you.
Yeah, except like that too. Because everybody a guy everybody. I don't see myself getting myself involved in all these kind of things like that.
Not everybody.
Honestly.
Ogini, what is it?
There is gist though.
Ogini, what is
Mama, gist plenty. You were right about Ogechi and her mother. Those people are hopelessly shameless.
Ma'am, I know.
Hey!
But what did they do this time around?
What did they not do, Mama? Do you know that Ogechi is getting married to that wretched, shameless human being that we chased out of this compound?
Hey!
I'm telling you.
Hey! Jacinta, Nima, are you sure?
Mama, I am very sure. Ogechi told me by herself. As a matter of fact, she showed me the cheap ring he bought for her.
What?
Mama, I almost spat on her face because I was so disappointed.
Hey!
I can't even imagine it. I didn't even tell you. That boy is a mechanical.
What?
A mechanic man.
Chineke meo. Oh, Jacinta. Jacinta and poverty as covenant.
I'm telling you.
Hey!
Poverty has eaten deep inside of them.
You know, leave them. As for my household, me and my household is either a rich man or nothing.
Bam. Mama, onyekwe chiekwe.
Yeah.
I cannot go to school, take care of myself, study hard.
Looking like this.
Only for me to come out and marry a poverty-stricken man.
Chukwaju.
It's not in my lineage.
In your DNA.
It's not in my DNA. Even by example, self, I reject it.
Look at your mother now.
This guy has to stay here overnight. Tomorrow you carry it.
Oga, I thought it's just a minor something that you can just fix now.
No. I want to cool down and do the job so that you'll be fine. By tomorrow, you will take it. It will be ready.
Oga, see, I have important place to go like this and I can't miss it. Please.
Okay, can I give you another person's car to go for your appointment? Would that be okay?
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. I'm so grateful. God bless you. God bless you.
You have to be careful with it.
Yes, I will.
Yes, because...
The sprocket of this car no deal. You know this is no match.
You don't know? No match? But the best sprocket go there inside store.
Yeah.
Go match maybe later I go find the one wey match am inside store.
Okay.
Check inside store. You go find am. You go match am. Okay, let me get the key for you. So that you know that.
Thank you.
Yeah?
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
What is this? Did somebody die? Hey, what is this? And where did you get this?
It's Chidi and his friends. They are going around the village, posting it everywhere.
What?
Mama, this is me, oh.
Hey!
Mama, this is me now. This is my picture.
He said that Ubaka paid them to do this.
Ubaka?
Yes.
Mama, show you're seeing Ubaka. A very rich husband wanted in late Ichie Samuel or Zombako. Mama, can you imagine? Mama, can you imagine your son? What kind of embarrassment is this? I don't like this, Mama. What is this? Just imagine.
Don't worry. I'm going to handle Ubaka myself. Don't worry. Thank you. Thank you. Look at me back. It hasn't got into this now, eh?
Hey, my man. See how happy I am for you. And at the same time, I fear for myself. Oh. Hey! Nah. When?
See, I always tell you that I will get a good wife. Yes, no. You see, you follow my footsteps as your father in this city.
Oh, I don't suffer. Oh. Because Abuchi don't see lover now. Get away, get better character. You don't turn my father. I'm not your son. Hey, wait. God when? Today, come over, yet is a Quanamo.
Wait, let me call my baby. I'll go back there this week.
Yes. God, where?
That's my phone.
Man, my man is in love. Want to call your babe?
Yes, sir.
Hey!
Baka, go back to that place and remove all the posters that you pasted there.
Mama, it took me fortune so to produce those posters, to print it and paste. I know how much I paid those boys. I know how much I printed the poster. See, Mama, I'm trying to do what you and Ujuma could not do.
Which is?
Trying to get our Uju a suitable in-law. A suitable husband and get you a suitable son-in-law.
Something is wrong with your head. Something is really wrong with your head. Go and take those rubbish away. What's your problem?
Mommy, when you will marry a rich man now, you'll be upstairs. You'll be in upstairs giving command. Will you give me money?
Ubaka, did I ask for your help? Did she ask for your help?
I wonder, what kind of embarrassment?
Ujuma is a very beautiful girl. Her God-given billionaire husband will come looking for her in this house.
Amen.
Mama, is what I'm doing now is creating awareness. You people will thank me later. I'm creating awareness because you cannot have good product in your house without marketing it.
This is awareness of embarrassment now.
It's not awareness of embarrassment.
Me.
It's awareness of good things. When she will go, big husband will come now.
You're making us look desperate.
But I get the money alone.
Mama, people should allow me. Let me go and rest.
Rest in this house.
I'm tired. I've been walking up and down. I've been pasting posters, going around, covering the community. I'm tired.
Ubaka, you go and take that poster away. You know, if that, I will print your obituary papers. I will print your obituary papers.
What am I living for? What am I living for? If I cannot have good in-law, that will help my life, make me succeed in life. Anyway. I'm working till today. You may not joke and post.
Can you imagine?
It's not a small thing.
What kind of embarrassment? You know, you're going to take up that poster.
You will sleep in this house without removing that poster.
You take that poster out.
You're going to get ball. All right.
Ubaka, get up, oh! What is all this? What move those posters? What is it?
You're don't want to work hard. Mama, you want good in-law, but you don't want to work hard.
What kind of work hard is this?
You're embarrassing the family for goodness sake.
Yeah, but embarrassment. What investment?
Hey.
So, I have discussed with my uncle and we agreed to come and perform the marital rites in 3 weeks' time. That is, if it's okay with you.
3 weeks?
Yes.
Why the rush? It's okay. I will talk to her father's people. I think we'll work with that 3 weeks, since we have all agreed on a small marriage. Ogechi, what do you think?
Mama, whatever you agreed on, I'm fine with it.
It's fine. So we'll work with 3 weeks.
Yes.
Dalu.
Thank you.
Dalu, sorry. Sorry about the kata. Sorry.
It's kata.
Ndo?
Oga Andrew, me, I cannot do that job. 80k is too small. I can't. How can you pay a whole chick like me 80k? It's too small now. See, sir, Opwe is not the problem. Opwe is not the problem. Just give me a good job. For now, I'm in the village, but with time, I will enter town. Yes, with time. Just give me a good job that will make me meet rich men, big men. Then I will service you anyhow you want it. Oga Andrew, let me call you back. I don't think I need that job again. I'll call you back. Mama! Mama! Mama, come.
His name is Dangote. International man, Dangote. Importer and exporter. Dangote. Money no be wahala at all for him side. Money I told you people that my first I was resting.
I want opposite.
Hey! Hey, my son.
Welcome, sir.
Thank you.
Hi. Nah, who are you and how can we help you?
My name is Daniel Lokonta. My friends call me Dangote.
Dangote?
No, not that Dangote. That Dangote is my business partner. Yes, but I'm talking about Daniel Dangote, the richest man in Southeast, South, and Southwest.
Hey!
You're welcome, sir.
Nah, you are welcome.
You're welcome, sir. Hey! Mama, let me bring it.
Hey, Butoche. Butoche.
Sir, my name is Uju.
Adam, man. Butoche.
I go around changing lives, yeah, so it's you people's store. I'm here to change lives.
Richest man.
Let's wait here. Why people normally come this way?
Okay.
Instead of trekking.
Thank you, Geji. Thank you for accepting me.
Why are you thanking me? You're not supposed to be thanking me. We're not doing each other favors. Something that we agreed on. Marriage is mutual understanding. For better, for worse. So you're not supposed to be thanking me.
Well, you never cease to amaze me. Once again, thank you. What kind of a girl are you?
You're a normal human being. But I'm just telling you reality.
But it's rare, people like you, but it's all good. It's all good. Everywhere good.
Okay. And thank you too. Since we're sharing thank you, let me share my phone with you.
Thank you, everywhere good.
It's about to rain. I believe Keke or bike will come out.
Okay, they usually pass here.
Yes, here is the major route.
Excuse me. Hello, Tony. Yeah, I just saw the alert now. 9.1 billion. Yeah, but it's not complete. So when am I getting my 6.9 billion balance? Tomorrow. That's okay with me. Once I get the alert, I will let you know. Thank you. I'll do my manners. Before I proceed, like I said, I go about changing lives. And it's you people's turn. So before I continue, let me do so.
His name is a Rinky Bello. Dangote, manipulate you. Dangote, Maka wake babwe jala tugo. Dangote, wake kunaku. Dangote, if I not join you. Wow. His name is Dangote. Dangote, international man.
As another working for what is. So I call this Oji.
Oh, Naimeka.
You can say that again.
Hey.
I will go straight to the point. Okay. I want to marry your daughter here. For many years. Yes, I've known you since our university days. I used to be a cabman on campus. Yeah. You might remember my face.
Yeah, your face looks familiar.
Yeah.
It's me, Daniel. You know, but my condition then wouldn't let me come close to a beautiful girl like this. Sure. But thank God for today, my story has changed.
Exactly.
So please, I want to marry Ujunwa, and I mean everyone.
Hey! Hey! You're welcome, my Dangote, my in-law. You're welcome. You will marry her. She will marry you. Yes. Eh?
I need to call his shame because
Mama will call it here later. Yes. Ujunwa, she will marry you.
Ozibo.
This marriage can start now. If you want that, once I go inside, bring Golodon now. Marriage is Hey!
I would like to hear from the horse's mouth.
She will marry you. She will marry you.
You're welcome. And I'll marry you.
She will marry you!
I'll marry you. I'll marry
Oh, yes, sir. Oh. You're welcome. Come on, Teregoji. Let me bring color for you.
Now bring it. Let me.
I am the first son. Mama, calm down. Now, what's me? Oh, come on.
Hey, now she will marry you. If you want the marriage to happen today, to happen. When you get now, Dangote, my in-law. Oh, Kabuchonye. Hey.
Uncle, good afternoon, sir.
What to do?
I was coming to your place, so.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Hope all is well.
Yes, all is well.
Hey, Ray just called me down, that someone is in the house to ask for Juwan's hand in marriage.
Are you serious?
That's what I'm going to.
They did not tell me, but I'm happy for how. That's why I'm coming to your house too. Yes, somebody just proposed to me.
Wow.
Yes.
Huh? This is good news for the family.
Yes, sir.
This is real good news for the family. You know what? Let me get to your house. I'll see you and your mother on my way back.
Okay, sir.
Or the problem with what?
Yes, sir.
Let me go.
I'll come and see them.
No problem, no problem.
Ready to happen. This one is for the poster man. I made it to happen. I told you people that this poster was pasted and it will work. You see it today.
Hey.
But
Mama,
Mama, no, now.
Mama, wait. Somebody should tell me that I'm not dreaming. Am I dreaming?
Name, you are not dreaming.
Mama, am I dreaming?
You are not dreaming.
If you go there, you are not dreaming.
God has heard our prayer.
Mama, I am so shocked. Is this how God works?
Hey!
Very good.
See rich son-in-law.
To think that his face was very familiar.
It was the poster that I spread all over the community. The poster was the familiar face you are seeing.
No problem. Mr. Right has come now. Go and take the poster out.
Just say what? I will remove it.
Go and remove it with immediate effect.
I will remove it. That one is a problem. My happiness is that at least I have in-law.
Hey,
Dangote.
Hey, rich son-in-law. Hey, now just say what? Oh,
I will remove it.
See, don't waste time to go and visit him. Oh, you heard what he said.
Mama, don't worry, relax. I'm a girl. I'm a chick.
Hi, chick.
What's going on here?
Chick.
What's waiting for you? Where's the man?
A rich man is a busy man.
A rich man doesn't waste time.
I called you as soon as he made his intention known.
Why is he so much in a hurry? He cannot go. Things are not done that way. That means he has to come back. Yes.
Che, don't worry. This man bypassed all protocols just to come here today. Don't worry, he'll come again next week. No?
Yes, Che. Don't worry. If we're going to come down, because you are going to prepare list for the Omunna, kindred list. I have prepared the one for the youth and the one for late father and the only brothers list. You know, I have 3 special lists for him. And I've told him already.
I have the one for mother's list, list Umuada, and list Umuwa. So you bring only the Umunna on.
Yes, only the Umunna.
That's the only one you will bring.
So I will give you.
Just Umunna.
Yes, in chair.
So what do But it's a good thing for all of us in this family. Okay, Chick saw me and I told me that a man is coming to seek her hand in marriage.
Okay, Chick is a poor man. A poor man that came to seek for my daughter's hand in marriage.
Mechanical.
And we rejected him. Ogechi now wants to get married. You see why poverty will never leave this children.
Wants to get married to my mommy.
As for me and my children, I am happy to
Emilia, don't talk like that, Emilia. You want money. Give it a go.
She's getting married to my mommy.
Since you say you are going, I wanted to go and get one of the drinks he brought for us. But they are very expensive. It's not something you can handle. So maybe when he comes back, I will not buy you one bottle of small start or one kai, the one that you desire. I'm telling you, that one is for others.
Don't worry, he'll come
Hey,
again
please remember the list. They're very important.
Teacher, don't worry, he'll come again next week.
Wait though. Does it mean she's hiding it from you or something?
Mama, I don't know. I don't know why she's even hiding it from me at the first place. It's Udoka that just told me now that he's going to their house.
Anyway, thank God. We are happy for them. The good news is that she is getting married and my daughter is also getting married.
Me, I'm happy for her. But I just hope this one is rich. I just hope.
Do you think if this one is not rich, they will invite Udoka? You have forgotten who Emilia is. He must be very rich. Nebuta, the good news is that you two are getting married. And I'm happy for them. Them get married.
They're going to their husband's house.
And you too, you're going to your own husband's house.
It's not the ring bell. He manipulate you. Maka wake babwe jala tugo. Wake kunoku. If I not joy. His name is Dangote. International man.
This is just one of them.
Baby!
Yeah.
This is your house.
Of course.
This is a mansion, baby.
We have 36 states in the country, so I have 36 duplexes.
Are you serious? Oh my God, baby, I love it here.
You love it?
I love it.
Come see the interior.
This space is massive.
Yes, sir.
It's no bad though. It's no bad at all.
Yes. By the time I make big money now, we will move out of this place. Yeah?
We'll go get big mansion.
Yes, now.
It's no bad though. Wait, look, I carry this thing.
Okay.
What can be your house?
This one. That is precious. Yes, but I made before the just no, this one they love.
Hey, baby, this is mansion.
Like it?
I love it.
I have 36 pieces of fruit in this country.
36.
As you have 36 states, I decided to own 36 duplexes.
Hey, double silencer. Hey, Onyekwa. Yes, sir.
Oluchi, thanks. Oluchi, pause.
Okay.
This is my beautiful wife, my achalugo, my tomato juice, my sorrow dinner wine. And baby, that's Oluchi, my chef.
That's so nice.
Whatever you want, she prepares.
Baby, you have a chef.
It's a wealthy man's house. We have chefs, we have drivers, we have cleaners, we have gatemen.
Wow. Nne, do you have food in the house?
Not yet, but you can place your order, then I'll prepare it.
Really? Yeah. Sharp.
Whatever you say, she will prepare it. English breakfast, chicken a la carte, Chinese rice, or for just mention it.
Interesting. Nick, do you know how to make spaghetti bolognese?
Of course, I'm at your service.
You can make it. But sharp. Go and make it for me, oh. Hey! I married an Odogu. Odogu double silencer. Hey!
So tell me, what were you doing in the village?
Baby, you know I just finished school. So I needed to spend some time with my family. And that time you came, I was on call for a job in Abuja. Yeah, I was trying to get a job.
My love, you can't be married to someone like me and be working for someone. No. My wife can never work for anybody. Let me tell you what you don't know. Just for being my wife, I will be paying you 10 million naira every 2 weeks.
Baby!
I will lie for you.
10 million naira every 2 weeks? Just for being your wife? Ah! I backed this one up!
It's never the ring bell.
Look for me, your wife. Hey! There are levels to this shit, baby. Hey! Baby, thank you so much. Umuwanyi be make a name. Umuwanyi be make a name. No. As you can see, I came with good news. That is why I brought this. Our daughter, Ogechi, is getting married in weeks.
Hey!
Oh yeah. Oh, Guinea.
Emilia.
Oh, Guinea.
Oh, Guinea, you too. Eh? Even if you are deaf, I know, and we all here know that you are not blind. Are you trying to tell me that you did not meet me addressing these women? Eh?
Addressing, Guinea? Who is addressing? Jessica, all I see is poverty. Poverty! You talk and smell poverty. Hey! Opium! Ochurago, from head to toe.
Emilio, wash your mouth.
Else what? Else what? I'm in a good mood because I am not here to banter words with Jacinta. Oruho, if you would allow me, I have other things to do. Because
Jacinta, please, can you allow us listen to Emilia? Please sit down.
How do you say no, Dana? I want you to know that it's zero. Each of you know that it's zero. Where you give me?
Can we listen?
How? Omuwanyi be make a name, no. Hey, Obina Tom Paulina. Yes, I am here to officially invite you to my precious, beautiful, adorable daughter's marriage to her heartbeat. Dangote.
Hey!
Yes.
Now this kind of news we want here.
Dangote.
Yes.
So here I come to invite you people to the marriage. And when you are coming, please, as I am inviting all of you, make sure you invite your friends. Tell your friends to invite their friends because there will be enough to eat and drink on that day.
It's okay. It's okay. It's all right. Please sit down. Yes, please sit down.
Thank you, my Ebuche.
As usual, we all go there and support our children and our sisters.
Must be there.
Jacinta, you were saying something. Who is your in-law? Is this somebody we know?
Jacinta, who is
No, you dey crazy. The man where you can't see, not that when you rope there, may you smell your own clothes.
Madam, there is space here. So why did you throw my towel on the floor?
You dey mad. No, you dey mad. Now me, they follow that stupid question.
You slapped me.
Hey. You slapped me because I dey speak English. You slapped me. No, I dey speak English. This is how I know well.
I be a cook. If you slap me, I go enter you. I go tell you like today. You dey crazy. Wait, oh, you dey mad? Rose girl, you dey slap me.
What is the problem?
You dey slap me before you were talking again.
Hey. Are you okay?
I'm not okay, oh. I came here to spread my towel. The next thing she came in and threw it on the floor. Neighbor, I go scatter your babe head, oh. I go scatter your babe head. Tell her say this one not belong to you, oh. And they crazy, oh.
Calm down. Is that why you slap her? Someone that just came down. Eh? See, this is my wife. Please, don't do this again. If you do it, I will arrest you.
Eh?
Stay clear.
You go arrest me. Oh, you arrest me. Come on.
Arrest me
now! Your hand from my mouth,
me.
Come on, your hand from my man clothes. Come and fight me. You want fight me? Arrest me now! Come and fight me. Oh, you go inside. Go wear clothes. Come now. I don't wait for you. Me and now here this compound when I will see fight. Come and fight me now. Come and fight me. Fight me. No, fight me.
Maybe respect you. My wife will beat you.
Oh, your wife will beat me.
Beat you.
Come and fight me.
My wife will beat you.
Fight me now.
She's too strong.
You dey fear? Arrest me.
She will beat you for me.
Come and arrest me.
Are you done cooking?
Yes.
What did you prepare?
White rice and stew.
On whose order?
Sorry, my Oga told me to prepare it.
Are you mad? Oga told you what? I asked you to make spaghetti bolognese for me. You're telling me rubbish. Are you mad? Did he not tell you I'm his wife to be? Did he not tell you? You take orders from me first. This stupid girl made rice and stew when I asked her for bolognese sauce.
Oh, my bad. I told her to make rice and stew for me before making your spark. Sorry about that.
I don't like this. I don't like it. I wanted bolognese sauce with spaghetti.
Oluchi, have you forgotten the saying that says ladies first? If they carry you go joint, you the reverse serve. Ladies first. So please, from now onwards, take her orders first. In fact, always serve her before serving me. Do you understand? Yeah.
Get out!
Bring the rice. Let's eat together. Honey?
Stupid girl.
You're too beautiful to be angry. We eat the rice together, yeah? Then she'll make you spark.
I wanted the sauce on the spaghetti.
Don't worry, you have it, okay? Come give me some sugar.
I go beat you. Now my mom make me dey leave you. I go beat you. This girl I be village cookie. Ask my husband to tell you if I run inside, I go be like, tell your jam you mad. I go beat you. I go beat her. Hey.
It's okay. Wait, you take time.
You think I be sitting there because I dey follow explanation. Madam, I be village cook. If you try me, don't liegi kago. You dey crazy. Hey. Okay. Neighbor. You, I don't mark your face. I don't mark your face. You see this your face? I don't mark you. The mark I be CCs. No, now CCs is not even the mark. We shall see. I don't mark your face. You still they touch me, oh. Baby, you they see her. She still they touch me, oh.
It's okay.
You see I sit there like udufuru. If I jam you, I go let you like tire. You they see him.
It's okay. I'm sorry.
Now soon they take me for this house.
You see, it's just because of money. I'm sorry. If not because of money, what will I be doing with this girl in this compound?
Baby,
I can't marry you now.
Kotalo. You see, 1 week, Kotalo.
No.
This girl go pack her for this house 1 week.
Okay.
Now I go make her. She go not come up for this. I go still come up for this house because of this girl.
It's okay.
It's okay. Hey, make her spray this and make she go come up and again. They burn her well.
It's okay. I'm sorry. This is not how you should be welcome. It's okay.
I know the vessel. That one go make me vex. I go pursue her come up for this company. She go come up for me. I dey wait for you.
If I talk now, they will say, Emilia is a greedy woman. Emilia, what you did now, is it okay? Emilia, why is it that you have decided that I'm your problem? I am not in competition with you. You are in competition with me. Oh. You have always been in competition with me. Jessica, you have always been in competition with me. From the moment you got married into this family, you have always been in competition with me. I gave birth to a baby girl. You gave birth to a baby girl. I gave birth to a baby boy. You too gave birth to a baby boy. Your own died. Was that my fault? Now my daughter has grown into a beautiful young lady. You want yours to be beautiful too. Now my daughter is in school. You put your daughter in the same school, even while you were struggling. Hey, Jacinta! Here on Emekwe, you are telling me that I'm competing with you. Now who is competing with who?
Emilia, wait. So you are trying to tell me that our children who grew up and became friends are now the issue? Eh?
Let me tell you, my daughter is getting married. Because of your greed, you allowed your daughter to accept a suitor that my own daughter rejected. Just because you want them to get married at the same time. Now see the caricature you have made of yourself. We will wait until that day. Let's see what is going to happen on that day.
Emilia, no one is God. Nobody is God. My daughter is not in competition with your daughter. No. My daughter knows where she's from. She knows the family she came from, that we are poor. And she chose her life. You and your daughter wanted a rich man. The richest man on earth. Thank God you have that man now.
Yes.
And we are happy for you. Eh? On that day, we will come, eat rice, drink, and be happy for you.
I think, if I see you there, let me not see you there. Foolish
Emilia, we
woman.
are not your competitors. Stop seeing us as such. Yes, rich son-in-law, rich son-in-law. Emilia, let me ask you, if every mother was to be like you, who will marry your own son? You are quiet now, eh? Who will marry that your son that does not have shishi to
do? Leave him for me. I have plans for him.
Wait, I am not done. Who will marry that your son that is still eating from your pot? That is still living under your roof? No! Let's leave all this one aside. Who will marry your son who has not even been able to put his life together? Eh? We will see whose son-in-law he will become. The rich son-in-law.
My son-in-law. My son-in-law will help my son. I have plans for my son. Watch and see what he will become. I have plans for that, my son. I have plans for him. Don't worry. I will surprise you.
Are you serious? Why did she fight her?
I don't know. You don't say that girl too do. My fear now is that Ogechi might decide not to come back again if she leaves.
No. With what you told me, that girl is not running anywhere. That girl is an exceptional lady. That girl is specially made for you. See, she don't just want to be a husband to any man. No. It's just you that she loves.
That's what she said, though. She said she cannot run away from anybody. Imagine someone that was working with a slap in her husband's house. And she's not shaking.
Guy, you are blessed. See, when I look at you, I envy you. Because I dey wonder. See me, where I want to see this kind of lady married, this kind of girl, you can't see them.
Exactly.
They're not there.
Well, I know what to do. I know what to do.
So,
My husband, what are you going to do?
Hey.
What are you going to do?
I have told you to stop worrying about people that are not existing, because as far as I'm concerned, that girl is not existing at all. That girl back am case. Me, I used to stop my own, but if you look for my trouble, I will give you double. 10,000 of her cannot push me out of my husband's house. I can, no man, that a single girl pushed me out of my husband's house. How now? It cannot happen.
Baby girl, please. We are sorry about what happened, okay? We apologize on our behalf. Huh?
You don't need to apologize. This is one of those things. We see it everywhere. Go to my village, ask. I'm not pretending. I'm very, very humble. Manichom. When you come to buy, I will say to you. You see that girl? I told my husband, 1 week, I'm just giving her 1 week. She will run out of this compound. 1 week.
You see, just rest. When you rest finish, I will take you to my younger house. Because he said anytime I see a woman I will marry, I should bring her. So we will go to my younger house.
That is good though.
Yeah.
But we'll eat first now before we go. Are you not hungry?
Yeah, Buchi.
No problem. We'll eat.
So you show me the market. Let me go and bring nylon.
Okay.
I'm coming.
Get out this girl. And your wife, God envy you. See me, where I want this can't get no day.
You see this sand now, eh? You know that Dangote will be getting married to my sister. So there's no time. You see all this sand now? I want you to pack it. Eh? Okay, pack it to level this ground. You see all those other ones? You will level the ground because I don't want that day, if they are dancing, the traditional marriage, if they are dancing, any of him or his friends or governor, Emelo Alo, I don't know what they will say. So I want you to pack this sand, if possible. Get your friends so that you pack this block out.
2 seconds. 2 seconds.
I go even pack the block alone. No worry. 2 seconds. Mama.
What is going on here? I just got back.
You know this young man. Every day he has been disturbing me that he wants job. He has been disturbing that he wants job. So I said, every day I said, what I said, now that my Dangote is getting to marry my sister, let me start giving them job, distributing jobs. You know, I said, let me call him to come and pack this sand well. I don't know if we are going to need it. If Dangote will need it where he want to build house for us. So that you make every way crooked way straight. So that it's not that day now. If they are dancing, somebody they say local government chairman for that, or governor for that. So I don't know. I don't want that day now. They will say local government chairman for that, or Dangote and his friends. Somebody fell down. So I want everywhere to be tele.
So Mama, no worry. Since 1902, now we run this job. So do it,
Mama.
I feel they run am.
They run am. When did you come back?
The people that are trying in this village, let them come and see me now. I just came back from the meeting now. Everybody in this village, let them come and try me. Me, Ogo Dangote. Good. Do you know that Jacinta also brought drinks for Umada today? Guess what she brought? Mineral and cabin biscuits.
Daddy, on a charger.
Mama, na she. Big people like when our son no they touch now. Just gonna relax first.
Oh, okay.
No problem.
I wore that woman shame like
Mama,
clothes today.
I trust you.
You trust your mother.
I trust you.
When I came with those cartons of drinks and the bottled drink for them to wash it down. Hey! Honoruzie Kanwoku.
In-law Dangote.
Hey! Nekozi, in-law Dangote. Our chair lady asked her, hey, Jacinta, who is your in-law? Is it somebody we knew? Hey! Odia Kana may pay so that she will enter inside.
How can they want to have mechanic? Very simple. Mechanic. Mama, let's go inside so that I will show the list that I have made. I have rearranged the list for the marriage and everything because you know Dangote has money. There's no point fitting him. I've added even the one that my girlfriend's family they told me. I've added it there. So Dangote will continue all of them. So I won't suffer again. Only when Dangote has a loss, you will not suffer.
At all.
Let's go. Let me show you.
Hey! Oh! Hey, son, now I am seeing your potential. Hey!
I am telling you, I don't know what we have done to that woman. Yes. Please, I am begging you, do not give up. Oh? And please, do not add any form of pressure to Abuchi. Because of Ujunwa and her mother. Yes. All I know is that what will be, will be. If God said he's your husband, he will surely bring it to pass. Yes. What? Why? What did you do to that lady? Oh. Because of face me, I face you house. Oh, when you hear me face me, I face you. Is it no human being that lives in face me, I face you? Yes. Okay. When you come back, we will talk. Because me, I'm just coming back from the meeting. Okay. Ngwanu. Bye-bye. Emilia, allow your daughter marry her rich husband and let my daughter marry her own. All I know is that one day, God will make a poor man rich. Uncle, you heard in here?
2 million naira for the youth.
Yeah.
2 million naira. 2 million. For the youth only. Mama, I did not put my own here. This one for the youth. Can I manage it?
Ubaka, are you the youth president? Besides, this list is dead on arrival.
Mama, how? How?
Wait, even if Dangote has this money to pay, where will he now get money to pay to me as the mother of the bride?
Mama, listen to me. Listen to me. Dangote will chase this thing. What is this? Mama, do you know who you is? For anybody to answer Dangote, that person must be rich. Oh, no, can rich. Oh, can someone Dangote be rich? Oh, no, the money. Oh, if he doesn't have money, can he answer Dangote? Check him now. See, Mama, listen, let me tell you. See, this one is for the youth. I will still put my own. Do you understand? I will still put my own so that by the time you pay my own, hey, Mama, you don't have to bother now. This thing is a fake couple for him.
But now, the one we are giving outside that is this youth own, we are supposed to bring it down, cut down on the price, so that we'll be able to increase our family own. Our poverty alleviation.
Mama, you are right. You write your own now. Mother of the bright list.
Baba, I don't finish your make it.
Okay, you are done. Good. Remember to bring some boys so that people pack the block. Even if you want to take it, level that we are playing now, we don't even need the old block again. My father couldn't finish it, so it's me that will finish it for him. Don't worry, you will go. Later I will settle you.
Baba, I need money now. Talk and face.
Okay,
talk and.
Okay,
I need ego.
You need ego.
Yes.
Oh, it's an ask cook or Kezegede. It's an apple cook Kezegede. Is that how you behave? Do you know who you are talking to? Do you know who my in-law is? Dangote is my in-law. So you should, whatever you are doing with me, be careful. See, I told you that any moment from now he can visit here, and whenever he visits, he dash money, he pump us money. Yes. So look at somebody that you. Do you know the list I wrote here for the youth? This is what something supposed to do free for me, so that I put your name down on the youth that you're going to give money. And now you are distant.
Do you know who my in-law is? Anytime my in-law enters this compound, he rains money. What are you talking about?
No, Alan, everywhere good. Make I go. If he pay you, make you pay me.
It's not make you
go. Add him lawyer, Baba. I mean, no fuck me up, because with a para.
I will call you later. When we smoke, we will call you. What is all this?
But to back, what you would have done by yourself, so that we'll be able to save that money. I ain't save go.
Mama, you see, me Pakistan, me Ubaka, Pakistan. Mama, no now. Mama, how long do you want me to stop suffering? For how long will I stop suffering? I suffered since your daughter was little, and she was able to be a big girl now, very beautiful. And God managed to put her in the hand of a rich man. You still want me to continue to suffer? Be packing Sunday. Mama, I cannot do that again. I cannot. See, let me tell you, very soon, I will even bring people that will be betting me.
Yeah?
Yes, now Dangote is my in-law. Why will I suffer again?
Or go like that?
Dangote is my in-law. Why will I suffer again? I will bring people that will be betting me. Chef, where my phone?
Hey!
You want massage?
Hey!
What was it for now?
Oh, Wazico, we need to.
Mama, aim higher. Aim higher. Yes. Dangote is your in-law. Aim higher. Stop suffering, You're talking about from where back? Dangote, I will give you 100 million naira list for your burial. I will pack the money.
His name is Rinky Bello. Dangote, the money plenty. Dangote, Maka wake babwe jala tugo. Dangote, wake kunaku. Dangote, if I not joy.
Finally, you got me. Babe, you know you're something else. I mean, you are a wealthy, loving and caring man at the same time. You're just a full package. Honestly speaking, every woman will be so happy to have you.
But I told you will enjoy me.
Right?
My name is Enjoy.
Enjoy, baby, I'm enjoying you for real. I'm enjoying you so much. And I thank God for blessing me with you.
Listen, you're beautiful, okay? And being beautiful comes with a lot of advantage.
Right?
Beauty is a gift.
My love,
Eh?
I want to get pregnant before we go to the village next.
Mogwe? Say that again.
I want to get pregnant before we go to the village again.
That sounds so good.
You want it?
I will make it happen. And once it happens, we will start planning our ceremony.
Really?
That's right, yeah.
So you're going to be a sharpshooter?
Oh, I will love it. I will love it.
He gets money, plenty money. His name is Dangote. Dangote, money plenty,
Sorry, sir. Your mechanic is here to see you, sir.
Oh, Abuchi, my mechanic. Let him in.
What will you say, Abuchi?
Yes, that's Abuchi, my mechanic.
Boss, everything.
Abu, how are you?
I'm good.
Good evening, sir. Abuchi!
Do you know each other?
Baby, this world is a small place, so... This is my cousin sister Ogechi, the one I told you about now.
Ewo.
Yes, that's also my friend. And this is Abuchi, the poor guy I told you about.
Boss, do you know her?
No hacking. No hacking. This is my wife to be. Yes, so my beautiful wife to be.
Hey! What a small world. You both are welcome, oh? Chai, love. Baby, let me get the maid to get them something to eat because I can see that they might be feeling hungry, Abby. I'm coming. Welcome. Hey! Hey!
I suggest you get everything on that list.
Iche, this is too much now. The young man in question is still struggling. The items here cost a fortune. Where is he going to get money to buy all these things? Iche, Pico, help me talk to the woman now. Let them just reduce from this thing, Pico.
We won't be different, Jacinta. Everybody in this kingdom uses that list. Okay, I got this Iche.
Nani, that is what I'm trying to explain to you. This young man in question is not everybody. He does not have that much. Pico, just help me. Help me talk to them. All I'm asking is that they just cut down on this list. It's too much now. Nanego, just look. Pico.
Okay. I will see the Onyeisi Umuna tomorrow morning. And I don't know, but I'm not giving you a guarantee. But let me talk to him and see how it goes. You know, Coach Jacinta, let tomorrow I will get back to you.
Dalu, Dalu, I appreciate. Nani, Biko, I am counting on you. Biko, just help me.
I will talk to him tomorrow morning.
Thank you. Thank you. Oh, Dalu.
What? How did they meet? Oh, he's Dangote's mechanic. Omaka. Name. Show her baby. Let her know where you are living. Let her know that your destiny is bigger than her own. And that you are more beautiful than her. Don't let your husband give them any money. Don't let him give them any money. Okay. Okay, I'll be waiting for you. Jacinta. Jacinta no. Nobody dare compete with me in this life. Mua. I got that battery rules on why. Hey! Hey! My in-laws mechanic. How you hold you know?
You are blessed, yes, because it's not easy to see someone who truly loves you for who you are, not for what you can provide or money. So, this union is blessed in Jesus' name.
Amen. Yes.
Enjoy, maybe.
Yes. That's why I said I should bring her to you so that you see her. Yes.
And thank you for marrying my sister. Or at least her dream of having a rich husband has come to pass.
No, you can say that again.
Don't worry, before you leave, I will bless you with 200,000 naira. Just for being a good woman and for genuinely loving my mechanic.
Hey, thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Baby, help me and thank your boss. Help me and thank your husband. Thank you, sir.
It's nothing. 200k is nothing. I mean, the benefit of getting married to a rich man. You know, there's no dignity in poverty.
Yes, money is good, but at the same time, one cannot kill himself because of money. Yes. Because money cannot buy true love.
Yes, sir.
But you don't worry. I will support your marriage, okay? Okay. Let's talk.
Hey, thank you, sir.
Thank you. I forgot to be drinking. I know you've not tasted this type of wine before. Come, let's go and discuss outside.
This list is way too much. Emilia, what are you and your son up to?
I don't understand. Do you know who my son-in-law is? It is Dangote. Eh?
Emilia, he is not the Dangote we all
Ichie.
know.
Ichie, you don't know who this man is. You don't complain yet. I want to go. Eh? This man is rich. He's going to chest it. This thing is nothing to him. I wonder. It's Dangote. Dangote is my in-law.
I said he is not the real Dangote. He's not the Dangote we all know. Eh?
Ichie,
Besides, Gemunti, there's life after marriage. I was with Jacinta. And she was begging. I cut down her sons-in-law's list. Yeah. And here you are, inflating yours.
Ichie, Biko, are you trying to compare my billionaire son-in-law to that of a mechanic? Eh?
Ichie.
You know, Ichie, my daughter called me today to tell me that mechanic of a pauper was in my son-in-law's house begging for money to go and marry Ogechi.
Eh?
Yes! I never knew they knew each other.
How?
But Ichie, no matter what you do or say, you are still going to add extra 5 million naira for me. I am going to make money through my rich son-in-law.
Hey, I am so disappointed in both of you. Imagine what you are even saying.
Ichie, listen, let me tell you. Ichie, let me tell you, before you disappoint us. Let me tell you. You see that in-law? Dangote, my in-law, must settle me. He must settle me, else that marriage will not hold.
Yes.
I am disappointed in both of you. Imagine what you are both saying. Is he my direct son-in-law? No. Eh? What will my kindred say about this?
Ichie, Give it to me. I will present it to him myself. We will present it to him ourselves. Don't think rich men care about how much they pay for bride price.
What is 10 million?
Do you know how beautiful my daughter is? They don't care.
What is 10 million?
Are you all done?
We are done.
Are you done?
Done.
When he comes, I will present him the original list. And if you like, go and utter it. Boss Kwabo, and I'm done.
Natia.
You tell you now this, I'm going one. If you do that, my way quick. Huh? I got out here. I heard you want to pay you. What is all this, Mama? Listen, we have to plan. We have to plan seriously because I will not take this thing. Dangote, my in-law, will settle me. Else, I'll go and form my own in-law, kindred, and keep them together. And bring them here that day. They'll present the list. What is this?
Jacinta is the cause of all this problem. Imagine her telling Ichie to cut down on her marriage list, making me look like a bad person.
Yes, so that she will be a good person, we will be a bad person. What is all this?
I will pay her a visit. I'm going to see
Mama,
her.
I don't think it's necessary.
Mama,
Mama, it has not got into that.
Eh?
It has not gotten to that.
Oh yeah, check her. Let me go and see her. I will go and see her.
If you see her only steer it. If you see her only steer it, Mama, what is it? She's causing us problem here. I'll plan my own. I have elders, so I have youth. Boys I can carry now. Pet their white. They'll come and sit down that day and collect money for me. I'm going for 10 million naira.
Baby, I don't like this thing that you did. I don't like it. Yeah? That girl you see there envies me. She wants to be like me. She wants everything I have.
Baby, she can never be like you. She will never be like you. The difference is clear. Hennessy and Kaikai are not the same. Now, you are married to a wealthy, handsome man. But she's marrying a brief, poor mechanic. The difference is clear.
Hey, baby, I know. But why would you promise to sponsor their marriage? As what now? No, you want the both of us to be competing.
No. I had already promised my mechanic that whenever he will get married, I will support him. Let them enjoy. Helping people is part of me. Yes, I help people every now and then. Let them have their fun, okay?
And you even gave her 200,000. I mean, has that girl seen 200,000 in her miserable life before? Does she even know what 200k looks like before today?
Baby, listen. My money will never finish. My money can never finish. Helping people is part of my life. I help people every now and then, so let them do their petty marriage before I will shut down this village with our own marriage.
Me, I'm not happy. You want that girl to go about bragging that she got married before me? See, that girl is a very pretentious human being. She's a devil, claiming to be a saint.
It's better than get married before us. Do you know why?
Why?
After our marriage, shame will not allow anybody to say that they are getting married around this vicinity. Because our marriage will be total shut down. 50 Cent is coming to perform for us on our wedding day.
50 Cent is coming.
50 is coming. I didn't say something like 50 is
coming. 50 Cent is coming.
His name is Dangote.
Nice work, man. Well done.
Well done, sir.
Anybody look for me?
No.
Hey, baby, you can sit, eh?
Well done, sir.
Anybody look for me?
No, sir.
Baby, eh? Here is my workshop. This is where I'm managing my life. Yeah.
Baby, did you call this one managing? This workshop is big, oh. It's not managing at all. You see this place? We will build mansions from this place.
Amen.
This place will yield money that we use and build. Not only mansions, plenty mansions.
Amen.
And when we marry, maybe see that place. I'll do small kiosks there and start my POS business.
Why do you have this so much faith in me?
Because I have faith in myself. Hardworking man plus hardworking woman equals to successful life. It's better collabo.
Yeah. Go there, get me some drinks, eh?
Okay, sir.
From that shop.
Okay, sir. Malt, abi?
Yes.
Cool.
Yes.
Okay, no problem.
Well done.
Malt is not too expensive. Mineral.
No, don't worry. I get you more so that you cool and chill, eh? Yeah, in my shop now.
In our shop.
Yeah, in our shop. In our shop.
What's wrong with this car?
Okay, it's having a problem. The alternator is not connected power to the injector, and it's affecting the radiator. Yeah, you won't understand now. That's the mechanical terminologies. Okay. Yes.
So this is why you left your house to my house this evening to trouble me. Ogene, do you ever get tired?
Osita, you evil woman. So I'm talking rubbish, okay? I am talking rubbish. Now listen to me. I want to let you know. Let your evil daughter, your cursed daughter, not bring her bad luck anywhere close to my precious side. I don't care if both men knew themselves before now. What is this? Marriage have not started. You have started begging. Here on the phone. People have shame at all.
Point of correction. They did not beg anybody for anything. Abuchi only went to somebody he knew that promised him something long time before he even met my child. Ogene Emilia, what is this? You and your daughter should leave us alone. Ogene.
Hey. Sister, listen to me. Listen and listen good. Because I'm not going to repeat myself. And I'm willing to say it for the whole village to hear. tell your cause of a daughter and her wretched, hungry husband-to-be to stay away from my son-in-law. Because my son-in-law will no longer be available to help them. From now, yes, if you like pretend like you love suffering, continue your suffering. But you see me, anything other than what my son-in-law has given to them will no longer come to them. It will no longer be tolerated. Me, Emilia, I will make sure of that. See, let me tell you, there's enough hunger in the country already. It's not everybody that will get married. Let us stay at home. You're a witch too.
You are a witch.
May
God help you.
Help you too.
Look at you. Look at you, Emilia. All of a sudden, you are now talking about rich man this, rich man that. Emilia, who was your late husband? A pauper. Or should I even visit the case of your useless, good-for-nothing son that does not have anything to his name? No! And the future husband to somebody else's daughter. Emilia, have shame. Have shame and rest.
You call my heir useless. You called my son useless. Don't worry. You see that, my son? I have a big plan for him. You see, the plan will shock you. See, I've come here. I came here to tell you what I want to tell you. You and your cursed daughter should stay away from my son-in-law.
My friend, get out of my compound.
Stay away.
Get out of my compound.
That's it, you know me. Stay away. I've told you. Stay away. Madam, I will tear you apart. Okay. You know what I can do.
Just look at this one. You are the one that claim you have everything, but you don't have peace. The people you are calling poor, you refuse to let them be. What kind of madness is this? Hey, Chimo. Olele.
His name is a ringy bello. Dangote, he money plenty oh. Dangote, maka wake babwe jala tugo. Dangote, wake kunoku. Dangote, if I not joy. Dangote, his name is Dangote. Dangote, international man no. Dangote, importer and exporter. Money no be wahala at all for him side. Money no be trouble at all for him side. Fafusi and what when they see him, they reason as they see Dangote.
Look who we have here. My daughter. Hey, welcome. How are you?
How are you?
I'm fine, no. Hey! What are you feeding this girl with? So just 1 week, she's this fat. Now please tell me what you gave to her because I need it too.
Nothing, Mama. It's just happiness. Yeah, she was even telling me that she wants to come back. And that is why I brought her back.
Mama need this happiness. I need this happiness. People should give me to eat now.
Mama bought plenty things for you.
It's again.
You see this bag? They are all goodies for you.
It's again.
Everything here for you.
For me?
Yes.
Hey.
If you walk out, he has a good heart. All these things are for you.
Hi. Nah, thank you. In fact, you are welcome again and again to this family. Carry this thing. Nah, potaba, let's go inside. No,
Mama, I will start by demolishing this. Yes, my in-laws can't be staying here.
Hey!
I will erect a befitting castle for your all.
Hey!
And you see that entrance, from that entrance to this point, I will tile the road and cap it up with street lights.
Hey! Onye kambo! Agabuchi onye!
I want to dig a borehole, yes, for the community. I want everybody to be enjoying free water.
Dangote, my in-law!
All for my in-law, yes. And the last but not the least, you see this car here, Mama? From now onwards, it's now yours. With this driver, This guy will be here 247 to take.
Hey! Help! My in-law. Thank you very much. Adam! Hey! I'm a car owner.
Mama, you are...
I am a car owner. They will hear it.
Mama, calm down.
They will hear it.
How can I make a film?
Hey! Okamoto, it's my
in-law. There's no point wasting time. I have prepared the list for the youth and the brothers, the only brothers list, and the late father's list for the marriage. So, that is it doesn't take much money.
I also have the women list and the list of mother. Her uncle will come with a Umuna list.
Yes. Okay. Compile the list. Yeah.
Hey!
I don't go through lists. I just go to the total.
Hey!
So tell me the total of all the lists. I will send the money.
Hey! Dangote, my in-law. Hey! I can find his name. Dana. Hey! This is my car.
Tony, are you mad? What do you mean by you paid in 29 billion? Tony, my money is 46 billion naira. Why are you paying in 20-something billion? Next thing you start coming with your people to beg me. I don't like all this. If I don't see my balance of 20-something billion naira before Friday, you won't like what I will do to you. Come on, yo. Although I can say this business, we are not. Stop, bro. It's all good. Sorry, on Deji Mobile.
Hey! Billion one better.
We are overthrowing our king. Dangote will be our king.
Yes.
No need. We only have Jiba here.
Hey!
I don't know how to thank you enough for all the beautiful clothes you got for me. I mean, those clothes are so expensive. Hi. Now, you didn't have to go that far now. You know you have plenty of expenses to do.
Mama, at least you are seeing what I've been talking about. You see my husband here, he has a very big heart. He does not economize money. He does not economize money. I wonder if he can be able to manage this marriage ceremony the way we are planning it to. Because my husband here, he will spend recklessly.
Maybe I will try my best. You see, Mama, Mama, I can't wait to make her get to my wife. You see, me and my people, we have fixed a date, 16th of this month, to come for the traditional marriage. But before then, we are coming back tomorrow to do it official. Yes.
It's fine. I have also spoken to Ichi Udoka. By tomorrow, he will be here with the list.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Mama. Please, you people should take me the way you see me. You see, all that matters is life. Because with life, there is hope. Yes, I will do my best. But I promise that I will take care of her. Ogechi is a very good woman. I promise I'll take care of her and love her to the best of my ability and capacity.
Nah, what you just said now is okay for me. Everything is not about money. You see this smile I'm seeing on my daughter's face is enough for her.
Thank you.
Mama, your son-in-law is wealthy. He is so wealthy. He is I did not say rich, I said wealthy man. Hey! You need to see his mansion. Hi, very gigantic. Hey, Mama, I have a maid that is serving me whatever thing I want to eat, whatever thing I want to drink. She serves me just like
Chimo. God has right, thank you. You see, you have finally heard my prayers.
All these things are courtesy of me. Courtesy of me, person posted everywhere. I said that I'm going to make this family plan.
But relax, Joe. Relax. Mama, that's not all. You know you have a very wise daughter, a smart daughter. I made sure that I wasn't free when I went there. So I did the do. So that in 1 month's time.
I trust my daughter. making any effort to marry you and get Ogechi. I don't want Ogechi to marry before you.
Mama, don't worry. We spoke about that. Yes, we discussed that. You know, he's the one sponsoring Ogechi's wedding. Yeah, I wasn't happy too. Exactly the reaction I did, but I don't have a choice because he said that he wants to make sure that after our own wedding, nobody will even have the face.
Because
that is shut down. Mama, guess what? Guess what? 50 cents is coming from my wedding. 50 cents is coming. No, Mama, do what? Clock it.
Clock it. Clock it.
Clock it. Clock it. Mama, don't worry, I say.
Hey, I've arrived. Iheme made the mother in this village. What I will do to them?
With your car, Abi?
With my car. What I will do to them? Mama. And my security man.
You see that car?
They will hear it from me.
I'll be driving it for now. Because I know he will buy for me.
Yes,
please, you have to tell him to be fast and buy for my own. If not, I will.
But the car is for your.
I was scatter the one.
Ubaka will take your car. You will not smell that car. You don't know Ubaka.
That car fits me more than fire.
His name is a ringy bello. He manipulates you. Maka wake babwe jala tugo. Wake kunaku. If I not joy, his name is Dangote. International man. Importer and exporter. Money no be one.
Are you the one selling cement?
Yes, sir, I am the one.
Do you know me?
I don't know you.
It's not your fault. You cannot know me. How much do you sell one bag of cement?
A bag is sold for 10,800.
10,800 only. It's all right. You don't know my in-law. Dangote is my in-law. You don't know Dangote.
Which of the Dangote? Is it the original Dangote or another one?
Anyway, never mind. See, I have come for us to do business. Yes, sir. My in-law wants to build a house for me, and I will be needing cement. So I have come for us to strike a deal that if I come here to buy cement, whether he come with me or not, they are going to add 5,000 naira on top of what they are selling cement. For me, that one is for me. Oh.
Okay, 5,000 naira is too much. Now everybody know how much we sell cement here.
Are you the one paying? This is my in-law. Do you know my in-law is very rich? Do you understand? Look at that, somebody I brought deal for. I brought deal for you. Do you know how I'm going to buy up to 500 bags? Because he's going to build one decade for me. I am the first son. He's going to marry my sister, so he's going to build one decade for me. So you have to be coming down. I brought you here. Are you in or out?
No, I'm ready. I'm ready.
So what we are going to happen is that you don't offer me something.
Sorry, sir.
When I'm bringing big business.
Sorry, sir. Sorry.
Hey.
What can I offer you?
This guy I'm not business.
What can I offer you?
He's not a business at all.
Sorry, sir.
It's all right. You know, as somebody that brought big business for you, 2 bottles of champagne. I will drink one here and go home with one. Then one turkey. One big turkey. You know I like turkey.
Yes, sir.
Go and offer me before we start business.
Okay, sir. No problem. I'm coming.
Be fast about it. You don't know what it means for me to bring 500 bags of cement business for you. What is turkey and bottles of wine? What is there? God says so people can touch you. Go to car because
his name is a ringy bello. He manipulates you.
What is going on here?
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning. Oga Abuchi sent us.
Okay. He sent you to bring this stuff.
Yes. Is it Ogechi's house?
Yes, this is Ogechi's house.
Okay. The place that the traditional marriage is holding.
Yes.
But bring them there, bring them down. You're in the right place.
I don't understand. But I thought we said this thing should be on a low key. Where did he get money for all this canopy?
It's his friend that gave him money to support our marriage. But I told him not to spend all of it here now.
But no, call him now. He does not have to finish the money. This one is just marriage. Do it low key and everybody go home.
Odira and me, he does not here.
We'll go there, Biko.
Hello, baby. Maybe some people came to the house with canopy. I thought we planned on low-key wedding. What is going on now? Yes. Baby, please come to the house. Please come to the house. I know you're in the village. Please come to the house. Because you're not doing what we planned now. I'm waiting for you.
You have called him now. Let's hear from him.
Onye chiku kewu ke sonile masi kwando no gelu ifonye betere isi ya go ge jibulu Dangote my inland he gets money plenty money his name is a ring bell Dangote he money plenty yo Dangote maka wake bwa jala tugo Dangote wake kunoku If I not joy, his name is Dangote, international man.
My baby, I want you to dress so well, okay? We are storming that marriage tomorrow.
Baby, left for me, I would say we should not go. Let's just see. What are we going there for? You already supported them with money.
No, he's my boy, he's my mechanic. I need to support him. I already told him I'm coming. And my presence matters more than my money, so I will go there tomorrow, okay?
Yeah.
Are you okay? Baby, are you okay?
I don't know. I've been feeling some type of way since yesterday. Yes, I think I'm pregnant.
You're pregnant? Hey, baby, let it be true. If truly you're pregnant, that means I'll pause that building project and focus on our marriage immediately.
No. Maybe you don't have to pause it, please. All you have to do is just increase the pace. Make it fast. Just make it fast, you know.
I think you have a point there. I will get more contractors to make sure they complete that building in the next 3 months.
Yeah,
so that we can go ahead with our marriage plans.
Yes, that's better. Because my brother is already making plans. You know, you asked him to make arrangements.
Hey, you're pregnant. Please, cheers. But meanwhile, lab test is needed. Let's be 100% sure of what we are celebrating.
Want to go and stress your pregnant wife tomorrow?
Emilia, I am so happy for you. God has finally answered your prayer.
Yes, so in this village, I'm now being guided with security. I'm now a car owner. Security now guards me and my family.
I heard the good news. I said, let me run and come and see the car with my eyes. But I'm not seeing the car. Where's the car?
My son went out with the car.
Oh.
You know, my son-in-law Dangote said he want to demolish this house and build a befitting duplex for me. So my son went to see the man that will supply us cement.
You want to demolish this house?
Yes, so
and build a new one.
Oruzi is to my standard
hey.
As a Dangote mother-in-law.
Hey,
yes.
You guys, people used to say that you have high taste. You are very materialistic, and you and your daughter. But you see how your high hopes has favored you. You are a very favored woman.
Yes, so I am favored. Ne, they say when you shoot off this type, you end up in the moon.
That is true.
You see all those people that are talking, all of you will still remain in this village. I will go to Omugo in London and come back. People will still remain in that circle. They say I'm materialistic.
See, you know I'm your friend. I am your friend. Please remember me. Your daughter's wedding will be the talk of this town.
Yes.
I mean forever, they will be talking about it. Jacinta's daughter's wedding is tomorrow. I passed by their house. Everywhere is like cemetery. Nothing is happening. They just sat down there helplessly.
What do you expect? What do you expect? What do you expect? His son-in-law is my son-in-law's mechanic. What do you expect? Meanwhile, I will go there today. I want to go and mock her. Let me go and show her my new car and show her my new status. Where is this boy with this car now?
Emilia, is it necessary? Look at it now. It's not necessary. Don't do that. It's not necessary.
Who are you? Who are you to tell me if it's necessary or not? Do you know who my son-in-law is?
Sorry.
All the kids talk and you money over there.
Hey, no. Dangote in-law.
You should learn from me.
Now.
Mama.
You're welcome.
Thank you. How are you?
I'm fine, no.
Good.
So fast.
Yes, I don't want to keep my baby waiting. Where is she?
She's inside.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, come on, your baby's here.
Hey, how are you?
Fine, you're welcome.
I hope you're getting ready for tomorrow.
I'm trying. You know it's my first time, so it's doing me somehow.
Before, uncle. Will it be your second time before? Now, Biko, let me go inside and get you some.
No problem. See, don't worry yourself. This is bread I got for you.
Hi.
Yes, at least by tomorrow, before the event starts, you use it to drink tea. Yes.
Thank you.
Yes,
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Let me go inside and chop my bread.
Okay,
Dalo.
Yes.
Yeah, you need to talk to me.
Yes.
Mama, don't come outside though.
That order is back. Yeah. Mama, I say you're going out. Let's go. Well done.
I will sit in the front. I want everybody in this village to see me as we are going.
No, Mama. That is not how they do it. That's what is called convoy protocol. You have to ask the madam, you stay at the back. I will drive. Then security man will be in the front. Is it not true?
Yes, exactly, Mama.
That's how they do it now.
Okay. I want to run some errands in the village.
Okay, it's okay. But let me join you so that you can stop me by the road.
Join me?
Yes.
In this car?
Yes.
Did you come here with this car?
No.
Did you miss your way? Don't you know your way again?
I do.
Biko, I do not want to be rude though. Because Oberi Hena, see Emilia. I don't want to be rude to you. But please, this car is not for poor people. It's not for poor people. Because now,
sorry, I forgot.
Okay.
Mama,
what are you there?
Mama, why are you talking to her like that? This woman was happy for you now.
Nah. These are the people that always say Emilia is greedy. Emilia is greedy. Now they want to come and enjoy with me. Does she not have a daughter that will go and get married to a rich man so that they will buy him her own car? She want to come and enjoy my own with me. Rubbish. Nah, because let's go, Joe. Oh, Abakamo, let me get my bag.
Security. Start and go.
See, baby, you have nothing to worry about. Everything is in order, okay?
Yeah, I have everything to worry about too, because you're about to do a huge mistake. Your friend gave you 500k and gave me 200k. That is 700k. You want us to finish your life savings in the name of marriage. Then when we finish marriage, we'll go to the house and be drinking garri and looking at the roof.
Yeah, baby, so that shouldn't be a problem.
I want to start POS business, so you have to start saving money.
Yeah, it's not a problem. Let's face one thing first. When we get done with it, then we can face another one. It's not a problem, okay?
Then let's stick to the plan, baby. The plan is to do small this thing introduction, call people, pay dowry, and that is it. When we have money in the future, we'll come and do big ceremony. Now look at, you went to go and hire canopy.
It's not a problem. Let me answer this call. Hello, where are you guys now? Where are you? I want this canopy to be fixed tomorrow. No, not tomorrow. This night. Tomorrow, okay. Hold on. What's happening?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Ma.
Good evening, sir.
Why did you come here? You're supposed to go to the hotel I booked for you now. What happened?
I wanted to see the bride first.
Okay. There's no problem now.
Baby, who are they?
Sorry. This is the photographer, this is the makeup. Okay? So go to the hotel I booked. Later she will join you. She's the one, She will come to that place.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
All right.
Baby, you brought photograph and makeup. What is makeup doing that I cannot do? Is it not to draw a pencil here, draw here, draw in corner, draw in Kanya?
No, calm down now.
This photographer that you brought now, your phone can even snap better pictures.
It's not like that.
You're wasting money. You're wasting money.
We are not the poorest couple in this time. We are not the poorest couple on earth. So we have to do something and do it right. You know, we're on the right path. So don't worry. Don't be doing as if what we are doing is not okay.
I'm not saying that what you are doing is not okay. It's just that when you want to get married, you do according to your pocket. Now you are doing too much. When we finish married now, we'll go home and be drinking garri and counting ceiling.
There's no problem.
Baby, which hotel did you book for them again?
It was Wazico. Iheme Hotel.
Hey! Baby, that hotel is very expensive, oh. Baby, you booked that hotel for them. You see what I'm saying, that you're wasting money. You're wasting money. They can't even stay in my mother's house now. They will sleep in the parlor. You're wasting money, oh.
You see, I'm doing all these things so that people will not mock you. You understand? We have to do it right. See, don't bother yourself. Let Mama finish the food first so that you people, I'll take you together to the hotel, okay?
This money they're wasting now.
No
These
problem.
people can actually sleep here. Oh.
It's our wedding now. We have to do it right so that people will know that you have a man that cares for you. Don't worry. Eh? Don't worry.
My son, what Ogechi is saying is the truth. It's not that we don't want things to go well, but we are just looking out for you. You know, what will make me happier is that after this marriage, my daughter does not go hungry.
Don't worry yourself. I'd rather die than see your daughter hungry. Don't worry. Everything will be fine. Everything will be okay.
Let's spend less now. Let's spend less.
Who's coming with my car? Who's driving my car?
Your car?
Sorry, I mean, this car, I used to work on it.
At your mechanic?
Yes. Sorry.
Hey!
Emilia.
Is this you?
You look so beautiful, though.
I heard your in-law bought your cow. I don't know that is this fine, no.
I know you will not think that it is true. You look at me, but it is true. It is.
Mamuji, I did not say anything wrong. I'm just hyping the car. The car is very flashy and it's fine. How is Uju now?
Uju is fine. Thank you. Fine. You will not even say anything wrong. Eh? You will not, because I'm no longer on that level. Negunu here, Mua. Eto akainos. I know menu onwa. Nana. You won't say. The quest security in Bubuebia. See my security. You do anyhow.
Nadalo. Emilia, let me ask you. Are you here to fight us or what? Let us know.
I'm not fighting anybody. As you can see, I'm in my big year era. No, I don't fight. I'm only here to check on you people to see how tomorrow event is going to be. I cannot fight anymore. This period, what I am doing now is to enjoy my in-laws' money. Did I do anything bad?
You did not do anything bad, but I'm begging you, just behave yourself. That is not too much to ask.
Baby, let me carry you.
Worry not, no problem.
I don't want you to see this.
No, I'm okay, don't worry.
Hey, Chineke me. He's already eating. Is this man not supposed to be in his house preparing for tomorrow's event?
What is going on? The DJ people have not come. No canopy standing. What is going on? Are we going to do this? I don't want people to bring shame to this family tomorrow. If you don't have the money for DJ, the sound of this car is alone to whoop the whole place. What is all this? I don't want the village you to laugh at us.
Obaka! Stop it. If it's play, no play that kind play. Wish you. I beg, stop him.
You're not in the right position to tell my husband anything. We are not complaining. We did not come for help. We did not beg you for help.
I am the chairman of the Umunna.
Occasion we want to do it small. Please leave it the way we want to do it.
The one that is already eating white rice and offer without meat. See, because if you don't want to bring a good in-law in this family, bring out, well, let's know that this one is outlaw. What is this? Eh? I'm the chairman of this Umunna. There's a way we do things in this Umunna. Yes. You know, don't bring shame to this thing.
Stop it.
Then what in it? Look at me. Okay, we'll down now.
What are you going to
tomorrow event is going
to be? Mama, let's go, no need.
A very low one.
Okay, what do you expect?
But right now,
let's go.
I'll just check inside one of the clothes that my in-law bought for me. Just rope.
Mama, let's go.
Mama, let's go. Your backing dog is calling you. Mama, go.
Carry
security and go. Okay, carry yourself and go.
What kind of pressure is this?
Eh? Hey! No, they cannot pressure the people that don't pressure. You can only be pressured when you want to be pressured. I did not find this man because of his location. My friend for so young, Kupahana now. Leave them alone. Leave them alone. I'm not happy with this.
His name is a ringy bello. Dangote, he manipulate you. Dangote, maka wake babwe jala tugo. Dangote, wake kunoku. Dangote, if I not joy. Dangote, his name is Dangote. Dangote, international man. Dangote, importer and exporter. Money no be wahala at all for him side. Money no be trouble at all for him side. Fafusia wake when they see ya, then they reason. As they see Dangote, when they see ya, then they reason. Their container don't like see ya, then they reason. Big in law don't show see ya, then they reason. It's your child when they see ya, then they reason. Their mugu don't fall like see ya, then they reason. Every woman's dream. Makochi fanacho. Makochi pamma
You're not looking back.
Yes, so I could do like this, Maka. You don't know why you cook. Oh, where is our car?
Where did this boy go to with this car? I told him to clean the car. That we are going out now for this thing. Why did he drive out with it now?
He drove out with my car without telling me. I will sack him. As of now, he has no job anymore.
Mama, you see this thing now. I know why I'm allowing this boy to be here. What is all this now? You know how to drive. Me, I know how to drive. And Dangote, I will tell Dangote to sack him. I don't need. Let him sack him.
Hey,
what's all this?
So I will be going like this. I'll be trekking to that occasion like this.
Mama, I'm no longer suffering. Why will you allow me to get me? I thought your daughter would come here with her husband. So all of us will not go with the convoy. Wow.
I thought
so. Billionaire people are passing.
My phone is ringing. Oh, your sister is calling me.
Answer her, please.
Hello? Awesome. Oh, you people have arrived? Ooh, they've started already. I came out, I dressed after. I came out, I didn't see the car. Oh. No problem. We are coming.
What did she say?
She said the husband asked the security guy to bring the car to that place. You see these people now? That useless girl and her husband will now use my car to pose without telling me.
What is all this?
Kanrueba.
What is all this? How am I going to trek now? They know that it's hard to get keke here now. How am I going to trek? Dangote in-law will be trekking. I can't remember the last time I trekked. Mama, I'm no longer used to something. Mama, let's go. It's like Keke is passing. Let's go. I don't like trekking. Oh. If I do not go now, they will say that I'm wicked because I have met rich in law. Hey. Let's go. What is all this?
I will not be sweating dressed like this. I'm used to AC already.
Mama, come.
Eh?
Come. Sweat.
Hey.
After today, hey. We don't sweat again. After today. Hey. This boy.
My in-law, I don't know how to thank you enough. Oh. Eh? Thank you. Oh.
Thank you. That is why I told you people that we should do the wedding very well. You know, not the other way you were suggesting. So that people will not laugh at us. You see it now.
I know. Mama, I know it's good to do wedding once and do it good. But
You cannot do wedding once and go home and be drinking garri now.
Nobody is going home to drink garri. Aside from that, we have enough money to enjoy. Need to see how much they spread us. Only Dangote spread us more than 1 million naira. Right. So there is money to to start up with.
I was shocked. I was looking at Dangote. Film. Baby, they have not told me what is transpiring between you and Dangote. Even Israel, Mama, didn't you see Israel?
I saw Israel.
Israel was also
spraying money. How come? Israel, what?
Even it's easy to do them. We rub shame on their faces. They were rubbed with shame. You know, they thought that we'll just come and give cola, give palm wine, give palm wine. This wedding shocked them. My husband shocked them.
My dear, whoever wants to be unhappy should be unhappy. That's their business. As for me, I enjoyed myself. And I thank God that this marriage was a success. Yes. Hi.
The cash is here.
Okay, I will leave it with Mama. Okay. How for my people? Have they gone?
Yes, they have all gone. Even the policemen.
Oh, okay.
They have all gone. Just if we should conclude so that we can go.
All right.
Baby, why did you say they should leave the money with Mama?
Yes, I don't want all these armed robbers to attack us at the hotel. You see, let it be here. When we're going back to the city, you can come and pick it.
Okay, okay. Mama, please put it under the bed.
I have heard. Your husband is right. But Oko, are you not going to take your wife to your village today?
Mama, that's no tradition. After wedding, you go to the village. No, we'll do that, but not now. Yes, my people are not happy. And that's why I took some people to this occasion. If you notice, there are few of them here. So no problem. We'll go to the village later on.
Israel.
Israel,
thank you. Thank you.
Money is good. Do you know that Justita's in-law surprised all of us? From what I heard, that boy is a mechanic. I did not expect him to do such a thing. In fact, if you ask me, I was expecting nothing.
I'm telling you, if a common mechanic could throw such a big party, I wonder how Emily's daughter's traditional wedding would look like. And do you even know how much Dangote, Emily's in-law, was spraying? He was just spraying. He was just spraying the money. Money now what? Money, he was just spraying. He was not even pitying the money.
There's no doubt that Dangote is rich. I cannot wait for his own traditional marriage. But tomorrow, we will go to Jacinta's house. Again, to congratulate her. Poor woman. Let's go.
I thought that money was just giving me money now.
There's fire on the mountain.
Fire where?
We are living here now.
Why?
EFCC is after me.
What did you do?
They froze my account. They say it's a fraudulent case. We need to leave, please. We're not even living with any car. Let's use Keke to the village where they
Village? Baby, let's travel to America. Let's travel out.
They shut down the embassy because of me. They are tracking me. My pictures are everywhere. Please. Let's leave for the village.
Baby,
come.
village?
Yes!
Baby.
They are coming.
My son, as you people go back to the city, I pray that the good Lord will protect you. Keep this home. Bring blessings upon you people. In Jesus' name.
Amen.
Amen. This your new home is blessed. I pray that the Lord give you people all the good things of life. You will enjoy this marriage. In Jesus' name.
Amen. Thank you, Mama. Thank you. Baby, let Mama bring that money now, so carry it and go for the business.
Mama, hold on. Baby, you have money, self. Take it easy. Mama, see, you don't need to worry about that money for now. So we are heading for our honeymoon now. When we are through, she can come back for it. Just keep it for now.
Okay. Your husband is right. You know, I will not touch the money.
I know, It's from all these boys, that bad boys.
That one. I know you want to use it for business to support me.
Yes.
But you need to relax first. Calm down. Rest for a while. You understand? Just rest. Wait, let me answer this call. Yes, Chama. How is it? How are you doing? Jesus, what's going on? Don't worry, I will do it for you. I will do it for you, yes. Straight to your house. Okay, no problem.
Baby, what is that?
This is your cough. I hope you are taking your drugs, eh?
I am. I bought some the other day.
Baby, Dangote said I should come straight to the house. Now, he has some challenges, so we are heading straight to the house.
To his house?
To his house, yes.
I hope there is no problem.
No problem. When we get there, we'll see. He just want me to help him do something.
And let's help him. He helped us a lot.
Exactly.
Mama, I miss you.
I will miss you too.
Be eating, oh, Mama.
Hi, I will eat it.
Mama, be eating.
Now, let's go.
Mama, I miss you.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
No. Is this you? It's you. Hey. People should come and sit down.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you for coming.
It's okay.
And I was happy I saw you for the marriage.
See your in-law. Hi. I'm happy for you. See the way you're looking.
Thank you.
Yeah, we just said we should come and greet you and congratulate you again.
Hey, you did well. Thank you so much.
It's the talk of the town.
God is faithful.
Hello? Now what happened? Hey! Jesus! When did this happen? Oh! Hey! Oh, Chimo! Okay, when you get there, call me, please. I don't like this bad luck. Hey!
Mama,
hey, Chimo!
Mama, what is it?
Hey!
Eh?
Your sister just called now that they are on their way to my in-laws village. That he has problem with the EFCC. They are going without a car.
Mama, let not something happen to my in-law. What are you trying to say? I have not said anything. Hey. Which one they are going to without a car? Is it one car they are using or two?
Hey. Said he has problem with EFCC. That they need to lie low for now. Hey!
Who will pipe low? Which one? Are you trying to tell me that the marriage, traditional marriage and everything, building of house, and that will not work, it will not work again? Hey, Mama, you can see, as you can see, I was measuring, you know.
I knew it.
Which one you knew it?
I knew it that Jessica was going to give me bad luck. That was why I wanted my in-law to do his traditional marriage first. Now look.
Mama, because you people should not say this thing. You people should not say this thing. Now, beep him, Nariari. You people should not say this thing, Maka beep him. Anyway, Mama, see, Mama, I'm already smelling rich man. Which one are you pipe low? Mama, if we want piping low, Mama, I'm standing. I cannot pipe low now. When I already told people to pack sand, this is why your bags go sand. Can I got many? Eh? You saw me measuring things here now. But trying to remove this roof. What if I want to remove this roof yesterday? It's in pipe low. Mama, because can't take. We should do something. No, I'm smelling rich man already. Dangote should now come nanio. Dangote come nanio. Dangote come nanio. Man, what are you about? Hey, what is all this?
Madam, how you doing?
Thank you.
How is everyone? Your guy has left?
Yes. He said that you are staying here for now, so pretend as the owner of the house.
Yes.
Baby, are we safe?
No problem, we are safe. Let's go inside. Of course.
I'll be back. Go take some time.
Yes, sure.
Are you sure we are safe? I don't have strength to.
Relax, we are safe. He asked us to stay here so that when the people that's coming for inspection will come, they will know that we are the owners of this place, that we are living here. You understand?
The inspection people, won't they ask for receipt? It's not carrying our name now.
Don't worry, it will not get to that point now. Even if you get to that point, I will find the receipt now. Yes, as the real owner of the house, it will get to that place. Meanwhile, we are going to the master bedroom because he asked us to stay inside that place. So that is where we belong.
Baby, let's not enter trouble because we want to help somebody. Yes, Dangote has been good to us, but I don't want us to enter trouble that we're helping him.
We are not entering any trouble. He said we should stay here to, pretend we are the owners of this place. So, what trouble again? We're here.
Hey, Mama. So that is it. We were left with no other option than to run down to this village first for safety.
Hey, Chimo, God, whom did I offend? My son just made money. All of a sudden, they started pursuing him. Why?
Mama, don't worry. These two shall pass. I did now console. Baby, will you eat abacha?
No, I don't want to eat abacha. I just want us to live here. Just whatever thing you're doing, be fast. Let's leave this place. It's not safe for our unborn child.
Hey, unborn child. My son, is she pregnant already?
Hello.
Hey, but you have to be fast to go and pay her dowry and do the necessary things before they start, before her belly start getting bigger.
I will talk to our mother and people. Yeah, so that we can get married as fast as possible. But baby, we have to do a low-key marriage now.
Low-key marriage?
Yes. EFCC is after me. I can't even come out fully now. Please, let's do low-key. When everything settles down, we can now do a loud wedding. For now, I'm hiding. Safety first. Safety first. Huh?
Don't worry yourself, okay? Everything is okay.
Sir, my only want, let me prepare for you.
Get me good wine, Then you prepare a very delicious meal. I'm hungry.
Alright.
Good. Tell her what you want.
Baby, you want to eat their food and drink their wine.
Eat first. Eat first before you quench the fire. Eat first before you quench the fire. Let's go. You have to enjoy, Relax, we're enjoying here. Don't worry yourself. Let's go upstairs. Don't worry, okay? For now, we are the owners of this house. Nobody is speaking to them. What's the problem? I'm not eating your food.
Me, I don't want when I eat now. They say I should come and pay for food. I cannot vomit something that I've eaten.
I can't. Eat your food. Enjoy yourself, Enjoy. This is your home. And this is my house. So enjoy yourself. Do whatever you like. Eat well and enjoy yourself. This is my house. I said, this is my house. Enjoy yourself. The house is mine. So by tomorrow, I will enroll you in driving school. So that you learn how to drive. Alright? So feel free.
I don't understand. Which one? This is your house. So, okay, wait now. If I finish the driving school, which car will I now drive?
The house, the car, belongs to me. So if you finish driving, you drive my car. This is my house. Feel free and enjoy yourself. Later I will explain to you.
Baby, abeg, this is the way you talk now. I know they understand what you talk. You mean this house is your own? How?
You see, the house, the car, everything you see here belongs to me.
Ogaraya! Hey! Nuku Mado. I greet you. My guy, my guy. You're not going to drink it out. Hey! Our wife, how are you?
Welcome, Israel. Thank you for coming because you came at the right time. You get waiting my baby here, been they talk. I don't understand them well.
And what's that?
He said this house and the cars with their side, my own. Is it true?
You see, there's a lot for you to know about this man. Anything this man tells you is the truth. This man you are seeing here is a wealthy man, just like me. So, forget all that we did. We just pretended just to get a good wife.
Say her.
Very good. Now prank wanna stop him. Now prank wanna stop him. Okay. Where is Dangote, the owner of this house? Where is he?
You see, Dangote is a real poor man. Dangote is just a mechanic. You see that small house? That is Dangote's house. This house belongs to your husband and many other properties. So we did all that to get a woman like you. You see, it pays to be good. So you are welcome. Feel at home. Hey.
Maybe my husband is rich, like he's owner of this house. Hey!
So, relax, enjoy yourself. Welcome to my home. This is your home.
This house is our house.
This is our house. It's your home. Feel free and do whatever you like.
Hey.
You're welcome to my home.
Hey, Ogaraya. Hey.
I'm still waiting for you to tell me, yes, so it's a prank or it's a prank.
See how the Almighty smile on you. You know, we have all this planned out. Dangote was never the rich guy. Your husband and I, we are the rich guy, but we have to play as a poor guy. You are lucky.
Here is the documents for the cars, the houses, everything. You see the name there.
Madam, they are telling you the truth. My Oga here is the real owner of this house, while the other man is not the owner.
You need to tell me that you played us.
Yes, yes, right now Dangote and Ujuma has gone to that house. We use Dangote to play the game. You know, Dangote is good looking. He looks rich, but he's not rich. So that's why we use him to play the game. But they are not aware until he marries her.
Oh, baby, why did you hide this from me and my mother even after getting married to me?
We did not do that because you and your mother might expose our plans. We want Dangote to marry Ujunwa. And we want you to marry our brother here because it's a payback to what Ujunwa did to my brother. You know Ujunwa made my brother to lose his life.
Your brother?
Yes, now. Emma.
Emma, what is going on? What happened to you?
Brother, look at him.
Emma, what happened to you? What is going on?
What happened to him?
Brother, Emma took poison because Ujua left him.
Ujunwa? The girl that is dirty?
Yes, brother.
Oh my God.
Brother, you know what? Emma has been spending all his money on this girl. Now she has graduated and dumped him. Women!
See,
that girl Ujunwa prays nothing happened to my brother. If not, what I will do to her, she will not like it. Emma, talk to me. Oh my God. Emma.
But do you know that Emma closed his store because of Ujunwa?
Ujunwa girl. Listen. Emma,
He can't even move. Please, let's carry him to the hospital. I can't carry him alone.
Emma. Among them.
Is this idiot that is putting on good? Yes, she's a very stupid girl. She rejects any man that doesn't have money. Yes, like mother, like daughter.
So, but you see now, I don't have any evidence against this girl. See what you do for me. Make sure you find out her village, so that I will make sure that me and Abuchi teach her a lesson. You understand?
Yeah. See that other one? That other one is her sister. Her cousin's sister. That is the best girl I have ever seen in my life. Opposite like Ujunwa.
Okay.
That's Ujunwa.
You mean that her cousin's sister is opposite of Ujunwa? That means she's a good girl.
She's the best girl I have ever seen in my life.
No problem. I will tell Abuchi.
Brother, you must arrest this girl.
Don't worry.
The man cannot die in vain.
Let me tell you, I don't have any physical evidence against him. But Abuchi and I will teach her a lesson. Don't bother yourself.
Look at the way she's even walking. Prostitute.
I swear that this is making me true. At my age, I never marry, but because of their character. I don't get woman talk more of girlfriend. If you don't get money, these people don't send you. Kai. I beg, sorry for the death of your brother.
Thank you, my brother. Well, you have to help us, please.
Yes, Dangote really need to help us. You see, as a good-looking young man, if you are in my house, living there, and driving my cars, nobody will doubt that you are the owner. So you live there. Meanwhile, I will give you some money which you will be spending. That one is not a problem. And after everything, I will now pay you 1 million naira.
I'll see.
I'm going to add another 500,000 naira.
For this deal?
Yes, now.
I beg, when are we starting? I'm in.
There's no need to waste time. Before then, me and him will go and seek for her hand in marriage. I know she will say no. Then I will use that opportunity to see her friend. Because I can't wait to marry that one to prepare her. Yes, she's a good girl.
Yes.
Yes, she's a good girl.
1.5 million naira. Hey, I'm in fully. I go finish work for her. No worry. I go run on. I believe you.
That's his life.
You see, that was it. You have the whole thing planned out. That's why there was no traces.
Hold on. So you married me just to spite Ujunwa?
Oh no, come on, don't say that. I love you. It's not that I don't love you. I love you. But I know that Ujunwa getting married to Dangote, a poor guy, and you getting married to a rich man. That's why we decided to do it that way. You know, good people meet good people. You understand? So I wanted Uju to marry a poor guy. You understand? So good people deserve good people. That's why we are here for you.
I didn't know Ima died though. I used to talk to Ujunwa, but you know her now. She has it's in her luck. She doesn't used to hear anybody. She's always following her mother's footsteps. I'm not sure that she will take this karma that came so fast though. I'm not sure. Considering the fact that she's pregnant. Ujunwa cannot handle this thing though.
She don't have option. Let her bear the shame of being pregnant for Dangote. You see, by next week, we will settle Dangote after their marriage. If she like, let her move in with Dangote as a poor man or a poor husband. If she don't like, let her leave. And as for her mother, let me see the face you're going to use to humiliate your mother in that village.
No, I will not take this thing, no.
I'm getting a car for your mother.
Are you serious?
Yes. You see, all the money we realized from the marriage belongs to her. That's why I didn't want to take it. Then after that, I'm going to take you to my village for the re-homecoming reception, for the proper one. You know, my people used to call it Uncle yeah, which means my in-law come and know my place. Then from there, I will now show you my village house, my village mansion.
I don't know if I should shout or I should cry.
Whichever one you want to do.
My mother, I know my mother. If she hears this, my mother will dance to the village square. Yeah. She'll be very happy.
But now who love last year? Love better. But I look one again. Iheme.
And as one member, you have children. You have children. I got to follow. Let's celebrate.
But now who love last year? Love better. But I look one again. Iheme. Ana mangulo no bo. Adia mangulo no bo. Ika one day you go miss your love. Api mata marriage. Adia mangulo no bo. Iwagidanya one day you go miss your love. Beauty without good character. Ajabula waya.
Ne, how did you go?
Let's not talk about that one. Let's not just go that place at all. Thank God you did not come. Thank God you did not come.
Thank God I did not go. Because she already warned me that if I come there, she will break my leg. That's why I decided to stay at home now. I don't want broken leg.
It's better for you.
In-law. Okay, Chi. I was at home here. Somebody came with this car and parked it here. I asked the guy, who owns the car that you parked? Why are you dropping car here? He said, Mama, don't worry, you will understand. As a matter of fact, I have been peeping, looking everywhere, so the police will not come to this house to carry me. I don't know who dropped this car.
Mama, no police will come and carry you. Yeah? No police will not come and carry you. In fact, we have something to tell you.
Hi. Bikono, I don't want anything to give me BP. Is anything the problem?
What will tell you? It will not give you BP, but it will shake your leg.
Ngwano, tell me now, tell me.
Calm down.
Oh my God,
tell me please.
Please.
Well, Mama, relax. This car parked here belongs to you.
This car belongs to me.
Yes, Mama.
Belongs to me.
You can say that again.
Who get you how?
I got it for you so that you use it and go to the market, walk around.
Because somebody should explain to me. Who get you how? Because I know that he does not have the money to buy this kind of car. How?
Mama, I will explain to you everything. It's not something we will
hey!
and talk.
So, you mean this car?
Mama!
This one. This car belongs to me.
Yes, Mama.
Mama. Hey!
Yes.
Chukwu Abiyama. Chukwu Abiyama. Chukwu Abiyama. Oh God, this car belongs to me.
Yes, Mama.
Okay, let me sit down. Because this means you want to fetch me. Fan me. Fan me, oh! Fan me, I don't have. Oh God, you mean that this particular car? Let me wake up from this sleep.
My in-law. Truth is bitter, they say. But at the same time, truth is freedom. I'm here to tell you people the truth and nothing but the truth. I am not who you think I am. I am not rich. Talk more of being wealthy. It's all games all this while. Yes.
Baby, stop. I don't like when you joke like this. Please, this joke are expensive.
Yes,
I'm not happy. See the way you just spent your money on their wedding. I see our own wedding. Please stop this thing you're saying.
I resemble comedian. I resemble I go die for your face. I'm not joking. I'm serious.
Hey!
What happened is that Abuchi and Israel came to me and begged me to act rich and marry you. Hey! They were trying to get back at you for what you did to Israel's brother that later committed suicide.
What?
So it's a payback for them. I was just acting all this while. That house belongs to Abuchi. The whole money that I've been spending belongs to Abuchi, including the cars.
Hey!
So Biko, the game is up and over. So this is the real me. I am the real mechanic.
Hey!
Nothing come out. She should not gun me.
Mama, please, my in-law, please don't do this thing. Don't let this rumor be true, because this thing is rumor. As I am now, I'm sweating. The people that I told about cement to build demolish this house, they're already on my neck. They are calling me every day. Because the youth are on my neck. The boy I called to park the sand the other day for me, so that they will see where your car will park. The boy is on my neck now. Everybody that want to go, please, let this not be true.
My head.
Eh?
Mama,
don't cry here.
You are very lucky that you not demolished this one. You can reach your phone. My wife, let's go.
Go where? Go where? Happy Mamaka, my poverty alleviation. Happy Aka.
I don't understand.
She's not going anywhere.
Is she not my wife?
Do you have money?
Okay, because I don't have money, she's not my wife. Mama, would they beat elderly women? Be careful. She's my wife and she's carrying my seed.
She's not going anywhere, because.
Thank God. I know they drag Peking because feed himself and pampers things cost. Hey. When the Peking grow, you go look for him, Papa. But if anything happens to my unborn child, you people know my character and I know your address. Your life is in danger and I will see you in court.
Go! Huh?
Go TV.
So you are going?
Mba.
Hey, Mama. You have got a Zioku. The day I went to pray for cement, Mama, I drank that boy wine, and I took
No, Mama, finish. My life is finished. No,
Please,
no.
Ujungwe have to remain, no.
No.
If there's anybody that will die, it will be the last to die.
No.
Mama, I think I will need. Hey, Mama,
You are not finished. You are not finished. You are not finished. You are a beautiful girl.
Hey! I'm going to marry this boy. I'm going to marry this boy in the cement. I'm going to marry this boy in the cement. Come back. Mama, I took drink from this boy that's selling cement, yo. I took drink from his own, and then I'm talking.
Hey, Ogo, Ogechi, my body is still shaking. I cannot even stand up with these two legs to admire this beautiful car. You people should make me understand now. Somebody should explain to me what is going on.
Mama, you see my husband here? My husband is not a poor man.
Ogo.
Hey. My husband is wealthy. My husband is very, very, very rich.
Hey,
Mama, you know Dangote? Dangote and my husband, they switched. The money Dangote has been flaunting, it's not his money, it's my husband's money.
Hey!
Dangote is the real mechanic. You remember Israel? My husband's friend. Israel is very, very rich.
Akokwana.
Mama, you remember that house I told you, and I walked in, I saw Dangote's house? That is my husband's house.
Hey! Chukwu Abiyama. Chukwu Abiyama. Ogo. It's again. Hey! So wait, Chelo. So that house belongs to my in-law.
My house, Mama.
Hey! Chukwu Okike. Emilia is finished though. How will Emilia survive this one? Emilia will die, yo.
If she die, we'll bury her now.
Hey! I wonder how that woman will take this news.
My house, Mama.
Hey! Oh God!
Is Dangote that is poor?
Hey!
If you notice all the cars he was using, they are all mine.
You know what?
Yes.
Even that one, remember that one that they wanted to jump us here?
Yes.
That is my husband's car.
Well, Mama, you don't need to be short. You see, Ujunwa and the family, they will enjoy what they brought upon themselves. Yes. And trust me, I know Dangote very well. He's a madman. If they do anyhow this time, they will see anyhow.
Emilia is finished too. Emilia will die, yo.
If she die, we'll bury her now.
How will she handle this news?
If she die, we'll bury her.
Hell, Chimo. Mama, I feel for her.
My husband will get you a driver that will be driving you.
He will
get you a driver. If you're going to Madam meeting, please go with this car. I'll buy you glasses. When you're going, I'll buy 5 handbags. You carry it like this and put on glasses. When you step down, the one that my mother have arrived. Mama, to go down. Now you need it.
I don't need it.
But now who love best? Love better. Bachalo kwanyagi yechi Iheme. Ana mangulo no bo.
Congratulations, my mother. Congratulations. At least all that matters now is that you have a beautiful wife and she's carrying your child.
Me, I've avoided them already. I'm just monitoring them to see what they are up to.
See, let me tell you, my brother, they are not up to anything. If they try anything stupid by aborting your child, look for one bad deity and report them. Then she will suffer the rest of her life.
At that time, when the baby grows, he or she must look for the father. Nobody wants to be a bastard, you know. The baby must come back. Yes.
We'll send your money to you. You see, if she decides to come back again, suffer her. Suffer her. Suffer her till she will beg for mercy. So that she will learn her lesson in life.
Yes.
Suffer her.
Do you guys have another contract for me? Because I enjoyed this one. I enjoyed the game.
Gentlemen, I just finished cooking. The maid will set the table. Go and eat.
We'll go wine. Hey, wife material. We are coming to the dining.
Ubaka, I have seen you.
Hey, hey, and the mother. Good afternoon. How are you doing? How your side?
Ubaka,
Yeah.
when are you coming for us to complete our deal?
Oh. My brother, don't worry, I'm sorry. You know, too many things. You know, I'm trying to check this thing, height of the fence, so that when I will build my own, I will know how to build my own fence. You know, see, I remember our business. We have not closed the deal now. You know, my in-law, Dangote, the assistant Dangote, he traveled to China to conclude his businesses. By the time he's back, we'll finish up.
Ubaka, you're a liar.
Huh?
You think I don't know he came last week to marry your sister? Do you know how much that drink I bought for you cost me? And ever since then, you have not even bought one bag of cement. I mean, one bag.
Please, please, don't kill me. Don't kill me. Ijidegom. See, let me tell you, as it is now, our family is in shame. If you go on, our family is in shame. I don't even know where to. You see, that's why I'm walking now in shame, hiding myself. We did not know that my in-law. He's not even an assistant Dangote. He did not relate to Dangote. He doesn't know Dangote. You are even richer than him. I did not know that he's a fake rich man. We did not know.
So it is true. Okay, now what are we going to do about that money I used to buy you drink?
As for the money, you have my number. What you do is, by the time your container of cement come back, call me. Let me come and offload. You don't need to call people that will offload it. Call me so that when I come and offload it, you will now minus the money from there. If cement is the boom, man, cement is the boom. Let me now know that it's cement that killed me.
I don't suffer.
Yes, because let's do it like that. Because even if you lift me up now, Jack knock me on the ground, 3,000 naira will not come out. Because don't kill me.
Offload cement.
I can offload cement. That one power day. That one work in here. Because I want to hear the market see me, please.
Okay.
Thank you. Dangote, this is what you are causing. You are causing my family shame. You are causing my family shame. Look at me now, hiding. I'm cement offload. Cement is the boom. What will I tell my mother? Can you call my mother? Now, cement is the boom. I'm okay.
What? Children of these days. This is what I keep telling Emilia all the time. She keeps rejecting suitors all the time. See, Ujunwa is like any other girl in this village.
No. She said Ujunwa is the most beautiful girl on earth. We want to see where they have landed.
And so where has her beauty led her now? She married a fake man. A fake rich man.
Now you need to talk to her. You need to warn her. I'm just coming from her place. Emilia threatened to burn the car my son-in-law.
She will do no such thing. Didn't she cause all this herself as a mother? Let her live. See, let me tell you one thing. I'm not going to talk to her. I will not talk to her. Let her live that life she wants to live. Do you understand? Abaramai, Anagria, Oneko. See what everything has led her to. I will not talk to her.
I don't even know what the problem is. She keeps seeing me as her problem. Okay, this one now, she wants to fault me. She wants to burn the car, my son-in-law.
You are not her problem. You will never be her problem.
All I know is that I will not open this my gate for Emilia to come here to do anything to this car.
Bam!
My in-law. My daughter. Mama. There's something I want to talk to you both about. Emilia is dying. And Ujunwa is not looking good at all. We can't deny that they are still our family. And they have felt the pain of karma so much. Bikono, I want to beg you. Please find a place in your heart to forgive them. Let's see what we can do for them. Biko, Ogo,
Mama, first I have to thank you for coming. And I don't want these people to bother you with this. As it is now, there's nothing we can do about this. The deed has been done. Even if Israel and I forgives her, she's married to Dangote already. She's married to the guy.
Let's see how Dangote can forgive her and take her back. At least I know that will be better. So that she can come to the city and stay with her husband.
Mama, Dangote did not reject nor deny her. We just want her to take accountability. If she repents, she knows where to find Dangote. As for forgiving her, I have. I will call her this night.
Thank you.
Mama, I just want you to relax, enjoy yourself, and take care of your pregnant daughter. That's all.
Yes, again. Ogechi, you are pregnant.
Yes.
Hey! Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Congratulations. Congratulations. Who go load him? Hey, congratulations. Thank you. Oh God. Okay. Congratulations. Thank you. Congratulations. Best news ever.
Indomie, we're going now. 300. Go Bella. Super bag of Bizon. Ha, madam, you fake like a lock on. Aquabon. Let's make about 230. I won't buy two. Say two.
I'm sorry. Helen, I'm sorry. Please take me back as your wife. I'm sorry for everything. I was just in pain. I was hurt from everything you said, everything you did. I was just angry. Please, remember your unborn child. Please forgive me. I'm sorry. Please.
Emily. One and only in-law to Dangote.
How are you doing?
Have you come to mock me?
Mock you? Oh, maybe your sickness has made you to forget that I am the woman leader. As a woman leader, I only came here to check how you are doing and to ask you, that big day you promised us was going to happen. When is it going to happen?
Leave my house. Leave my house and don't. Leave my house and don't come back.
Emilia, me leave your house. Are we fighting? I only came here to find out when they will bring back your car. Oh, so life has finally happened to you. Life has happened to you.
I don't blame you. I blame myself.
Good. Very good. This is what I've been expecting from you. At least you have finally realized that you didn't live well. You made us believe that you are the only one that had a beautiful daughter. A rich in-law, Dangote. You made us reject our own children as if they are nothing. Our daughters, our in-laws. Thank God you have realized.
Back of cement has fallen on your son's leg. Please, you have to come with me.
Is my son still alive?
Yes, he's still alive, but he have a very big injury, Mama.
Please, my son, help me to find a way to take him to the hospital.
Okay, ma.
Please, I will call my daughter.
Please.
Help.
Call her, please.
No, she finally went back.
I beg you, please, help me. I know you are angry with me that I did not allow you to to enter the car. Please. Help me to take my son to the hospital, Biko.
But the last time I checked, you said 4 people don't enter. But I will just try.
Owabu jonjorogo inebi onasogi, but na who laugh last year, laugh better oh. Bachalo kwanyagi yechi Iheme, ana mangula no bo, ana mangula no bo. Ikawagina ya one day you go miss your love. Okwi mata malechi, ana mangula no bo. Iwagina ya one day you go miss your love. Beauty without good character, ajabule we. One day you go miss your love. Agododaka anyakwachi, Odikodi bossa, Odikodi golo. Ifonya na salo keje wete ya. I say no get to sense at all. Don't worry, you go meet somebody where his sense is no correct. Abolo match to match. Ana mangula no bo. Ana mangula no bo. Ikawagina ya one day you go miss your love. Okwi mata malechi. Ana mangula no bo. Iwagina ya one day you go miss your love. Beauty without good character, ajabule we ya. One day you go miss your love. Agododaka anyakwachi,